Good day, viewers. Get ready to explore the intersection of technology and agriculture as we uncover the exciting agri-tech solutions for growing diverse food crops on smart tech.
Need a reliable helper on the farm? The Einsterschaufel from Flegel is like a Swiss Army knife for animal feeding. This technological marvel can do everything, from loading and mixing feed to its neat distribution. The beveled shovel design allows easy control of the feed flow, ensuring that each animal gets exactly as much as it needs without the risk of overfeeding. Add to this the ease of installation on any tractor or loader, and you get a tool that makes farm work more efficient and enjoyable. The faster the better, right? The Schulte Series 5 rotary cutters XH1500 and XH1000 will turn your work into a real cutting speed race. The updated design, with new gearboxes and cool accelerated knives, makes such machines not just fast, but super fast. With a potential increase in working speed by 30 to 50%, these mowers exceed the expectations of even the most demanding users. Now you can handle tasks faster and more efficiently, leaving competitors far behind. Forget the old way of packaging. The Compress 120 from Yearly Machina makes rolls weighing from 992 to 2,205 pounds with just the press of a button. This technological marvel doesn't just pack, but does it with amazing precision and speed. Imagine how much time and effort you'll save thanks to this powerful device, with adjustable packing speed and the ability to automatically adjust by weight. The Big Bale Stacker is the ideal tool for stacking large bales quickly and neatly. First, the stacker lifts the bales from the ground with the grippers and places them on its platform. Then it stacks them neatly, forming the most even and stable stacks for further transportation or storage. Krone is the king of corn harvesting. Its self-propelled silage harvesters gently pick up the stalks from the ground and feed them into the chopping chamber. There, powerful drums chop the crop to the required length, and the feeding system evenly distributes the mass into the transport. The machine manages perfectly the harvesting process, ensuring a clean cut and optimum loading. Krone Easy Cut allows two trailed mowers to be used simultaneously by attaching them to one machine. In combination, this provides a working width of up to 42 feet. At the same time, each mower functions independently without the need for modifications. The result is maximum efficiency when working large areas and reduced mowing time. The modern Asian radish harvesting machine works with maximum precision and care. It carefully digs the root crops out of the ground with the help of plowshares, after which brush rollers remove excess dirt and soil residue. The radishes are then lifted onto a conveyor belt, where they're sorted and shipped into containers. With high maneuverability and fine-tuning, Damcon multi-track gantry tractors provide delicate plant care while minimizing damage and increasing productivity. The design allows you to work in areas with row spacing from 28 to 59 inches, making them ideal for tilling strawberries, blueberries, deciduous and coniferous trees. The Oxbow Harvester is a powerful green bean harvester designed for quick and neat harvesting. Special grippers lift the plants, then brush rollers and a drum mechanism gently snip the pods, separating them from the stalks. The beans are then transferred to a conveyor belt and carefully loaded into containers, keeping them intact and fresh. The Oxbow 9120 Raspberry Harvester is a highly efficient raspberry harvesting machine that ensures quick and accurate harvesting. It's equipped with special grippers that gently lift the berries from the bush, minimizing damage. During operation, the raspberries pass through a filtration system where leaves and debris are separated, and then the berries are carefully directed into the hopper. Flying autonomous robots from Tillage use a cool combination of computer vision and artificial intelligence to accurately pick fruit. Using built-in cameras, they scan trees, identifying ripe fruit and analyzing its size and color. The robots navigate along predetermined routes, picking the fruit with a special customized arm that gently removes the fruit and prevents it from being damaged. The AgBot with spraying system is an advanced solution for spot application of pesticides and fertilizers. Equipped with advanced sensors, this autonomous robot analyzes plant and soil conditions to determine where treatment is needed. Spraying is uniform and precise, greatly minimizing chemical overspray and reducing environmental impact. AgSeed is ideal for preparing sandy soils for carrots, using innovative technology to increase efficiency. The robot is equipped with a precision control system that analyzes soil characteristics and determines optimal cultivation parameters. Its tools, such as cultivators and rippers, penetrate to the specified depth, effectively mixing and improving soil structure. The Jacobson Gang Mower is a high-performance mowing unit designed for mounting on standard vehicles. The inline mower system ensures uniform grass cutting, while the ability to adjust the cutting height allows you to adapt to different conditions. Hydraulic steering ensures easy maneuverability and reliable operation, even in difficult terrain. Flaming corn is a new solution for weed control in organic cornfields that utilizes propane burners. The process begins with an even distribution of propane, which is then ignited, creating a powerful flame stream. The burners operate at a flow rate of 20 gallons per minute, providing fast and efficient burning of excess vegetation without the use of chemicals. And this machine is a high-tech solution for automated layering of potatoes. It uses an automatic distribution system that ensures the potatoes are filled evenly and neatly without manual intervention. The root crops pass through a mechanism that sorts and places them in predetermined layers. Built-in sensors monitor the stacking quality, ensuring minimal damage and loss. The Certa 40 from DeWolf is a highly efficient 4-row potato harvester capable of forming 35.4-inch wide ridges immediately in the field. The machine first prepares the peeled tubers before distributing them to the stackers, which precisely form the rows. The unique design ensures optimal placement and minimal crop damage in the process. The DeWolf self-propelled potato harvester with 2 rows ensures efficient and fast potato harvesting. It starts with potato row picking, where powerful blades lift the tubers out of the soil, minimizing damage. Harvesting takes place at speeds of up to 3.1 miles per hour, and the integrated cleaning system effectively separates root crops from soil and vegetation. The tiniest nut picker for almond trees uses vibrating technology that gently shakes the fruit off the branches, avoiding damage to the tree. The system is attached to the trunk or main branches, and the shaking process then begins. The fallen nuts are collected in wide platforms, and a special conveyor belt moves them to a special storage compartment. The Guaresi pepper harvester gently grabs the plants and cuts them with powerful knives at the base, after which the peppers are transferred to a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt gently carries the fruit through a cleaning system where leaves and stems are removed, preserving the integrity of the crop. The Spaperi 741 is equipped with grippers that gently hold the tobacco stalks, after which the integrated knives cut the leaves at the desired height. The cut material is then transferred to a conveyor belt, where it's all sorted and cleaned. The leaves are then moved to special crates for neat storage. The process is all automated, eliminating the need for manual intervention and increasing productivity. The Richard Western is an innovative system for safe gripping and transportation of top-clamp bales. The system works on the principle of automatic bale locking, ensuring that bales are held securely during travel. Special clamping mechanisms effectively compress the top of the bales, preventing them from shifting and falling. And this one significantly optimizes haymaking processes by allowing you to use one tractor to drive 2 balers at the same time. The system shares power, which reduces the need for labor and equipment. During operation, the tractor drives both balers, doubling the amount of hay processed. The Nexat is a new generation smart tractor that makes life easier for agronomists thanks to its modular design. This versatile workhorse can easily change attachments, whether it's seeding, fertilizing, or harvesting. Intelligent sensors in the system monitor soil and plant conditions, automatically adjusting operating parameters to maximize efficiency. The advanced design of the Hurricane Model 24 trailed cultivator features powerful tines and a depth control system, allowing you to fine-tune the depth of cultivation based on soil type. Special rotary tines penetrate the soil, breaking up dense layers and improving aeration. Kirovet's K7 tractor stands out among its analogs due to its powerful design and versatility. With a 250 horsepower unit, it confidently copes with the most complex tasks, from tillage to cargo transportation. The hydraulic system, compatible with a wide range of attachments, allows the tractor to be quickly adapted to specific needs. The DeWolf carrot harvester, together with a John Deere tractor, provide the perfect duo for precise and efficient harvesting. The flexible digging system gently digs up the carrots to minimize damage to the root crops, after which they're transferred to the auger conveyor. Special cleaning rollers remove dirt and stones, and the carrots are then carefully loaded into the hopper or onto the trailer. The combination of a John Deere baler and a New Holland tractor turns the haymaking process into a well-oiled machine. The powerful tines of the baler gently grip the crop and transfer it to the baling chamber, where uniform and dense rectangular bales are created. New Holland provides stable traction and speed, and its hydraulic system controls the baler efficiently. And this trailer is equipped with a hydraulic roof and a 130-degree opening tailgate for convenient loading and unloading of bulky materials. Hydraulic controls simplify the process by providing quick raising and lowering of the roof and a high degree of tailgate control. Stinger machines provide fast and efficient bale stacking and transportation. First, the gripper lifts the bale and gently places it on the platform, where it's secured with special clamps. The hydraulic system then shifts the bales to form a tight stack. The integrated elevator allows the stacks to be gently unloaded at the destination point, minimizing the risk of damage.
If you thought agricultural work couldn't be fun, you haven't met the Krone ZX. This super collector of everything that can be picked up from the ground will surely become the star of your field. With the Krone ZX, each loading is like starting a new season for your favorite series, always intriguing and never disappointing. From the powerful engine to the comfortable cabin, every aspect of this machine is thought out to the smallest detail to ensure the harvest is collected quickly, efficiently, and with pleasure. And if it works in tandem with Optigrass 28, then work is pure pleasure. Imagine equipment that will transform your approach to agricultural work. The Krone Squadro 1570 to 2000 combines innovative solutions and time-tested technologies. With the ability to change the working width from 51.5 to 65.6 feet, these rake tethers can adapt to any task. The compact design makes transportation and storage easier, and the high working speed allows for faster processing of large areas. The minimal soil contact technology preserves soil structure and prevents compaction, promoting better plant growth for the next year. Introducing the Loftness XLB10 Grain Bagger, your new reliable assistant in the field. This machine is specially designed to automate the grain bagging process, ensuring not only speed, but also accuracy of work. The AI-based control system adapts to various working conditions, and the unique bag filling technology guarantees that every kilogram of grain is preserved. Thanks to its autonomy and the ability to program routes, this machine makes grain harvesting efficient and less labor-intensive, allowing you to focus on other aspects of farming. Meet the new version of the Fendt Katana, a harvester that isn't afraid to raise its nose, or blade, more precisely, up to 11.5 feet. This stylish feature allows it to easily adapt to any plant height, and it does so with such grace that even a video of its operation is worth a look. Small pieces? Not a problem. Such a powerful shredder handles it effortlessly. Switch to Rausendorf, and your hemp will be harvested quickly and with inimitable style. Automech new Urbex 9200. Not just a harvesting machine, but your best herb picker. With this wonder of technology, herb harvesting becomes a process of the highest precision. The Urbex 9200 is equipped with an advanced cutting system that allows adjusting the height from 1 to 3 inches for ideal plant care. Thanks to its powerful engine and wide 36-inch cutting platform, the machine processes large areas in less time, reducing labor costs. The compact design and improved maneuverability make the Urbex 9200 ideal for farms of any size, ensuring high productivity in herb harvesting. Make your farm's cleaning a masterpiece with the Automech 9000 Foglia version. This combine is designed for those who are not ready to sacrifice quality in the pursuit of quantity. Equipped with a precise cutting system, the Automech 9000 gently and efficiently harvests leafy crops, ensuring the perfect condition of each harvested leaf. The powerful engine and optimized control system allows processing large areas quickly and effortlessly, saving resources and time for the farmer. Regardless of the size of your plot, this combine will help you achieve high results with minimal costs. There's no need to sacrifice quality for speed if you have the Automech 8300. This combine is specially designed for precise and gentle leaf crop harvesting, equipped with a system that allows processing of up to 6 rows in one pass. With the ability to adjust the cutting height, it ensures careful handling of each plant, maintaining their integrity and quality. The powerful engine of the harvesting combine provides reliability in operation, and its design makes maintenance simple and economical. This combine will become a valuable asset to your farm, helping to achieve maximum results with minimal effort. The Sigma F3 140 horsepower is not just equipment, but a real superhero among olive groves. With a powerful 140 horsepower engine and sophisticated vibration technology, this giant gently shakes each tree, making olives easily separate from the branches. Time and effort savings are guaranteed, and the gentle approach to each tree ensures their health for many years. The Sigma F3 makes harvesting not only efficient, but also caring. Now you can experience productivity on a new level. With the Kemper 300 Pro Series, equipped with the most demanding tasks in the field, everything happens easily and simply. Thanks to the optimized cutting system, which allows precise and careful separation of the plant from the root, the Kemper 300 Pro Series guarantees maximum preservation of your crop quality. The model is equipped with an advanced engine that provides the necessary power and efficiency with minimal fuel consumption. But most importantly, the machine includes easy adjustment and control functions, making the harvesting season less stressful and more productive. This hand attachment from Koppel does 2 jobs in one pass, mowing and swathing. Whether it's preparing feed for livestock or clearing the field, the multitasker handles it perfectly, ensuring the ideal condition of your cultivated land. And the most interesting thing is that regardless of the size of your field, the Koppel multitasker will help you get the job done faster and easier, while maintaining high quality for future feed. If you're looking for a way to simplify and speed up ditch maintenance, the dredger Hemos Heitzma is your best choice. Equipped with a special cutting part, this dredger performs double duty, replacing the mowing basket and side knife. It not only easily handles ditch edges, but also instantly distributes the excavated soil, creating ideal conditions for further field use. Watch how effectively and effortlessly the Hemos Heitzma transforms your territories, making each pass as productive as possible. Meet the Damcon HWD 3055 cultivator, your new garden ninja. This guy doesn't just fight weeds, He does it stylishly with his horizontal hose that carefully cut weeds at the root, leaving them no chance to resurrect. But the real trick is how it distributes the soil. A thin layer like a barista sprinkling cocoa on your cappuccino. And if you add a finger or torsion weeding, your soil will be treated so well that even weeds will start to think twice before appearing. Welcome to the fields of innovation with the Asa lift machine, which knows a lot about onions. This 3-chamber onion windrower doesn't just process fields, it does so with intelligence and grace. Imagine a machine that arranges onions in neat rows like soldiers on a parade. With the Asa lift, you're not just harvesting, you're organizing an onion revolution. And don't worry about planting density. Your new green assistant adapts to any condition, making your work as efficient as possible. So, are you ready to become the general of your onion army? The curtain rises, and here it is, the Asa lift machine, promising to turn beet and carrot harvesting into a real show. Imagine it's not just harvesting equipment, but a magical device that paints gray weekdays into the orange-red shades of the harvest. With every maneuver in the field, the Asa lift whispers to the carrots and beets, "Time to leave the ground." And they follow it like stars on the red carpet. Forget heavy labor. Now every harvest is a festival of color and taste, where you're the main guest. Meet the Pitbull Rake from Tubeline. Not just a rake, but a real guard for your field. This agricultural warrior is ready to take on all the heavy work of hay harvesting. Like a true pit bull, it grabs any task by the scruff of the neck and doesn't let go until complete victory. Thanks to its incredible power and endurance, the Pitbull Rake makes the harvesting process not only efficient, but also surprisingly easy. Your fields will be quickly cleared without extra effort, and you can enjoy a well-deserved rest. Meet the Retriever from Tubeline, a true master of hay loading that will make your farm life easier and more enjoyable. This is not just any loader, it's your personal assistant in the world of agricultural technology. Thanks to the Retriever, every hay bale will now be collected and stacked with incredible precision and speed. Forget back pain and wasted time. Your new mechanized friend will handle any volume of work, giving you more time for what really matters. Meet the Millstack PT 2010, your new main helper on the farm. This unique trailed stacker will help you collect and transport hay with ease and style. Ever dreamed of packing hay quickly and safely, like playing Tetris with bales? The Millstack PT 2010 will make this dream a reality. Such technology has the ability to stack bales with amazing precision, simplifying storage and transportation. Now you can spend more time managing your farm rather than struggling with hay. Meet the Forestack, a bale accumulator that will turn hay collection into real science. This device doesn't just collect bales, it strategically accumulates them, optimizing each stage of work. Imagine, instead of chaotic piles, your bales will be collected into perfect stacks, ready for transport or storage. With Forestack, each bale is in its place, and your work in the field becomes a well-coordinated conveyor. Boldly say goodbye to manual labor, and hello to efficiency with Forestack. Presenting the Multipack D14, a machine that will revolutionize your hay packing. This bale packer is designed to make your work not only faster, but also exciting. Forget about monotonous collection. The Multipack D14 quickly and neatly packs bales into compact packages, ready for transport or sale. Like an efficient manager, it organizes your harvest into perfect bundles, maximizing space and reducing costs. With the Multipack D14, every bale is in its place, and every minute counts. Allow the Kuhn MM1101 and 1301 Merge Max Triple Mergers to transform your approach to harvest collection. These machines can process strips up to 29.5 feet wide, which means maximum coverage with minimal effort. From quick control setting changes, faster than you can say hydraulics, to easy field maneuvering, every detail is thought out to perfection. Your farm deserves to be a masterpiece of efficiency, and these machines will help you achieve that. It's time to act, not delay. With the HPX 195 Pro Push, your farm work will become so easy, you'll feel like a superhero. This commercial-grade manure spreader with hydraulic drive is a true master of its craft.
With a capacity of 195 cubic feet, it moves across the field like a tank, leaving evenly spread manure in its wake. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise control, and the robust steel construction promises years of service. Forget manual labor, and let the HPX 195 Pro Push do all the heavy work for you, turning your labor into pleasure and your harvest into pride. If farm tools could win awards, the Kuhn GF 1003 and 1003 T-Series Tedders would be Oscar winners. These machines are perfect for spreading hay like you've never dreamed of. With a working width from 20 to 56 feet, they cover large areas, saving you time and effort. Durable tines and thoughtful design ensure that your hay is evenly distributed, providing quick and quality drying. With the Kuhn GF 1003 and 1003 T-Series, you can be sure that your hay will be ready for storage in no time, and you can enjoy the results of your work with peace of mind. When real heroes are needed in the field, the New Holland T7.315 HD PLMI and Big Baler 1290 High Density step onto the stage. With 315 horsepower under the hood, the T7.315 HD not only handles the work, but dominates it. And with the intelligent PLMI control system, you can operate this giant with ease. The Big Baler 1290 HD creates perfect high-density bales, ensuring maximum space utilization and excellent hay quality. Think about how great it will be to see the neat, dense bales, fully ready for storage and transport. Such a powerful duo is the perfect solution for those who want to turn every day on the farm into a productive adventure. Harvest grass like a pro with the New Holland Ultra Feed on the FR Forage Cruiser. This grass picker is a true virtuoso in its field. With a working width of up to 12 feet and innovative tines, it ensures perfect capture and neat collection of every blade of grass. Forget missed spots and uneven collection. The Ultra Feed guarantees that every corner of your field will be processed with maximum efficiency. Hydraulic control allows for easy maneuvering even in the toughest conditions. Allow me to introduce the Bowlen Boy, a cool, reliable assistant for bale transportation. This is not just a transporter, but a real time machine, saving you hours and effort. Forget heavy and awkward bale movements by hand. The Bowlen Boy handles its tasks easily and gracefully, like a dancer on ice. Just load the bales and watch it carefully deliver them to the right place. The sturdy construction and thoughtful fastening system ensure the safety of your cargo. When soil requires serious treatment, the Collier & Miller single-tine deep ripper comes into play. It cuts through the earth with such skill that even the worms give it a standing ovation. The single-shank ripper penetrates deep, leaving loose, airy soil ready for planting. Dense soil clumps are no longer a problem, and plants feel like they're in paradise. Your fields will be grateful for such care, and the harvest will not keep you waiting. With tandem laser buckets from Collier & Miller, your field will look like a parquet floor after a thorough cleaning. These mighty buckets level any unevenness with laser precision, turning your plot into an ideal growing platform. If you're tired of fighting with bumps and holes, this equipment will definitely become your best friend. With them, literally every minute of work brings pleasure, and the result impresses with its accuracy and quality. Are you ready for landscape perfectionism? If so, the buckets are waiting for their turn. Turn grape harvesting into pleasure with a grape bin from Collier & Miller. This container is designed for maximum productivity, allowing you to collect more grapes in less time. Forget broken baskets and lost berries. The grape bin ensures the reliability and safety of your harvest. Thanks to its thoughtful design, every collected grape will be intact and safe until processing. Working with such a helper is easy and pleasant, and the grape harvest will break all records. Soil preparation has never been so easy and productive with a Cultipacker from Collier & Miller Engineering. This specialty-built unit turns field work into a pleasant task. It easily compacts and levels the soil, creating ideal conditions for sowing. Forget about mess and unevenness. The Cultipacker brings perfect order, allowing your plants to grow in the most favorable conditions. Rest assured, the efficiency and reliability of this helper will amaze you from the first use. Imagine the cotton cartage trailer from Collier & Miller Engineering, a trailer that turns cotton transportation into a real adventure. This Cotton Express is not only reliable and spacious, but also gives your harvest royal comfort. With it, each cotton bale will reach its destination like in a luxury carriage. No more transportation problems. Now, only joy and pleasure from work. Ready to take on serious soil treatment? Meet the C&M Tandem Disc, a monster machine that will turn your fields into the perfect planting ground. This machine is so powerful, it seems like it could move mountains. With the Tandem Disc, deep soil treatment becomes an easy task. Powerful discs penetrate significant depths, breaking up the most stubborn soil clods. You'll get a smooth and prepared field ready for sowing. No more compromises, only power and efficiency with a C&M Tandem Disc. If your farm needs a true mowing master, the Spearhead Pro Line Multicut 650 is the perfect choice. With such a powerful mower, even the most unruly grass areas will be trimmed like on the best golf courses. A 21-foot cutting width allows processing large areas in record time, and powerful blades easily handle any vegetation. Working with this machine is pure pleasure, quick, clean, and effortless. With the new Multicut 650, your fields will always be in perfect order, and you'll be pleased with the result. If potato and onion harvesting were a competition, the Ropa Kaler 2 Classic RK22 would take the gold medal. This machine turns every field into an arena for a show, skillfully and flawlessly digging up each tuber and onion. With it, your harvest will look like they've been through a casting call for a farmer's runway. With the RK22, forget about lost harvests and mess in the field. Working with this machine, you'll feel like a conductor of an orchestra, where every vegetable is in its place with inch-perfect precision. Try the JREC 5 from Jagoda JPS Agro Machines, and you'll know what a berry frenzy is. This harvester collects the harvest so skillfully that you'll think, is it a wizard? It races across your field, collecting berries like a star gathering likes on social media. The ease and speed of working with the JREC 5 will make you forget about the old days of laborious harvesting. Let this Berry Pro show you what true efficiency is, and your field will turn into a real berry paradise. If the Jagoda 300 could talk, it would probably tell you jokes while harvesting blueberries. This harvester is a true virtuoso in the world of berry machines, approaching each bush with such sophistication as if it were on a date. It collects blueberries so carefully that even the most fastidious berries don't have time to get scared. Trust your harvest to the Jagoda 300, and blueberry picking will be as easy as turning on your favorite music, with one press of a button. Imagine the Gruner App Leader, your new superhero on the apple front. This apple harvester is so cool that it seems to know each apple by name. It races through the orchard, carefully picking apples as if collecting delicious trophies. Forget ladders and strenuous attempts to reach the top. The Gruner App Leader does it all itself. Well, to be precise, it greatly helps those who do the manual harvesting. If weeds could be scared, they would tremble at the sight of the Gruner Stilt Cultivator. This unique weeding tool doesn't just work, it puts on a real show in your garden. It strides through your beds like a stylish stilt walker, destroying weeds with one swift move. Imagine yourself relaxing with lemonade while your new helper does all the hard work. Thunder rumbles, weeds disappear, and only well-maintained soil remains. With such a cultivator, weeds will be as easy as a walk in the park. Meet the Gruner Raptor, a pruning mower that can make your garden the center of a green fashion. This mechanical stylist not only skillfully cares for trees, but does so with such elegance that even the oldest plants will start to feel like young saplings. The Raptor is equipped with advanced technology. Its blades are so sharp that they can cut time spent on ordinary pruning. With such a helper, you'll become a hero of the gardening world, and your trees, eternal youths in green outfits. Meet the Olimac Drago GT, a combine that will take on all the burdens of harvesting and straw collection. With the Drago GT, your field will look like a perfectly licked plate after a festive meal, not a crumb or a straw. With this versatile assistant, You can definitely become a multitasking master in the fields. And forget about additional passes for straw collection. The Drago GT does everything in one go. Is this what time and resource savings look like? Absolutely. Meet the Van Hook Combine, the perfect partner for those tired of crooked cuts and uneven cabbage harvesting. This compact wonder combine is so smart that its harvesting speed adjusts to the speed of your tractor, providing VIP treatment for each head of cabbage. No more ripped from the root stories, only perfectly straight cuts. And thanks to the wagon loader, all the harvest will be neatly packed as it's collected. Here's a twist. With Van Hook, your farm will turn into a real factory for producing perfect cabbage.
SolarGem is a pre-assembled solar installation that forms a solar panel by deploying a special metal structure that holds the photovoltaic modules. The SolarGem concept consists of pre-assembled solar plants that are integrated into standardized containers. They're easy to transport and minimize on-site installation work. SolarGem provides protection against climatic events. The structure supporting the PV modules simply needs to be folded back into the containers and a cyclone can pass through. As soon as milder weather conditions return, the structure will be redeployed to bring the power plant back into operation. This minimizes maintenance expenses and keeps the plant operational. You see a high-frequency linear comb separator linked to two sorting systems, a vibrating drain and distribution table in addition to a two-stage roller sorting table. They allow integral winery to delicately clean and separate berries from greens. The grapes are gently separated from the stalks by vibration. The berries remain intact, and the stalks are not crushed. On the way to the sorting table, the bulk berries pass through a screening conveyor to avoid crushing. The heavy-duty Power 48 professional olive-picking comb with a 480W brushless motor makes the job easier and more profitable while preserving the tree, its fruit, and branches. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's suitable for all varieties of olives. The productive technique allows you to harvest up to 8 times faster than manually. Its ergonomic design provides exceptional comfort and ease of use, particularly thanks to models with 2 supports, a fixed length of 7.5 feet and a telescopic height from 7.2 to 9.8 feet. In terms of power, multiple batteries are available. Power Pack M and L for up to a day of autonomy, as well as a 12-volt converter. Simple and reliable was the formula for the Rootster trailer beet harvester with a 4-ton hopper, which can also be used for harvesting chicory and celery root crops. The great advantage of the trailed machine is its easy operation and maintenance-free design. The Rootster can be used in combination with the FT300 or FM300 for one-phase harvesting, or in combination with the BM300 for two-phase harvesting. The machine can be configured for row spacing widths of 1.47 or 1.64 feet. If you grow beets, this is the machine for you. The features of this harvester speak for themselves. The Maxtron 620 has 490 horsepower, a tracked undercarriage, and a rear steering head. The 6-row Maxtron 620 holds the title of the most maneuverable and soil-friendly beet harvester in the world. By improving the machine design, Greem has achieved gentle cleaning of the beets with sifting conveyors and spiral rollers across the entire width of the machine without constricting the product flow. Well, now you're looking at the self-propelled double-row cabbage harvester for industrial processing from ASA Lift. This modernized machine is equipped with a proven and durable feeding unit. Driven torpedoes guide the cabbage to the feeding belts, which then grab the grown product by the stem and guide it to the specially hardened cutting unit. Fast, convenient, simple, and most importantly, reliable. Envodan has been supplying weed burners to organic farms and nurseries in Denmark and around the world for many years. Envodan's patented e-therm system reduces gas consumption by up to 40% through an optimized system that maximizes the use of combustion heat for weed control, resulting in high efficiency. And the company achieves significant reductions in CO2. All their agricultural models are designed and manufactured in collaboration with the customer to adapt the machinery to the specific needs of the crops being grown. The new Demonio series mulcher with a working width of 7.5 feet and a tillage depth of 1.3 feet was recently introduced to the public. This high-tech machine from Valentini Group has been built with high quality, high strength, low alloy steel materials to ensure excellent performance and longer life. The Demonio 2300 mulcher can easily turn overgrown areas into fields for planting, and in no time at that. This machine is actually very confident at 1.3 feet deep, leaving behind not a single tree or stub. Take a look at what this mulcher can do. The DeWolf RA3060 has already earned its reputation as a high-performance machine through countless hours of work in rainy and dry weather. With standard equipment and optional extras, this machine helps the driver in every possible way to get the best results when harvesting potatoes and carrots. With the roomy new Class Cab, the company has created a comfortable, working environment that is operator-oriented. Harvest and combine movement control panels and a joystick make it easy and comfortable to operate the machine itself. Flegel agro trucks are ideal for both on- and off-road use due to their improved field suitability. These massive trailers for large machines transport bulky and heavy loads and unload them in seconds. Whether it's wood chips, pellets, or grain, the ejector technology ensures even and complete emptying. You'll be pleased with the result. Case IH Axial Flow 250 series combines are equipped with the latest AFS Harvest Command automated harvesting technology, which adapts combine settings to changing harvesting conditions without operator intervention. This system is available as an option for combines with larger grain hopper volumes and higher unloading speeds. This advanced autonomous system receives data from all major combine units and optimizes their settings according to one of 4 algorithms to ensure maximum performance in all harvesting conditions. Versatile's Delta Track continues to be the class leader in the marketplace. The 530, 580, and 620 models never lack for power and combine the expertise of Versatile's engineers and several key industry partners such as Cummins, CAT, and Camso. With the largest cab in its segment, the most advanced undercarriage in the industry, and serviceability, Delta Track is the perfect combination of power, comfort, and reliability. This is the 4-wheeled self-propelled AT5104 fertilizer spreader from Oxbow, which is designed to work in difficult field conditions and on heavy terrain. The technique knows how to distribute power and torque properly, while having a more than stylish appearance. The tank level can be monitored via a pilot screen, allowing for the most efficient cycle time and avoiding unnecessary driving around the field. The 8-inch loading arm is mounted next to the driver's cab and has a 160-degree reach. To achieve the best slurry flow, the machine's large diameter piping has minimal bends, and the standard 29.5 cubic foot Borger pump is specially angled. The self-propelled 3- or 4-row Ploger hopper harvester was developed with the customer in mind, harvesting potatoes without compromise. This machine excels in terms of the total sieving area. With the chassis outside the sieving blade, the flow of potatoes is free of obstructions and does not narrow. Thanks to the variety of possible cleaning modules, this allows you to build a harvester to suit your requirements. The best hopper capacity in the region allows you to organize your logistics more efficiently. Low transport speeds combined with the lowest possible drop and the unique soft pocket elevator guarantee comfortable handling of the potatoes. Dutch company Ploger has already field tested the first 5-wheel AT5105. The new product has a similar concept to the 3-wheel AT4103, released earlier this year, and the AT5015 features the same ZF Econ continuously variable transmission, class cab with 4-point suspension, chassis, software, and control panel. The Technique has the same front end, but a more powerful engine, namely the 6-cylinder Scania DC13 Stage 4 with an output of 550 horses. The main difference is the presence of 2 steerable mechanical axles, which provide a small turning diameter and a smoother ride across the field. You're looking at New Holland's best forage harvester, and that, of course, is the FR550. This productive and highly efficient machine has 503 horsepower, 370 kilowatts, so it can easily handle all of your forage harvesting tasks. The forage harvester is 7.8 feet wide. The New Holland FR550 includes excellent lighting, air conditioning, a comfortable cab, a powerful metal detector,
a rear-view camera, and a comfortable seat. This machine has a working height of 21 feet and a top speed of 25 miles per hour. Thanks to a common chassis and interchangeable systems, the Fendt Rogator 900 series applicator can easily handle a wide variety of terrain and crops. The RG934H and RG937H also allow for high ground clearance work at the end of the season with a lift package. Every inch of the 900 series sprayer cab has been specifically designed to increase productivity and spraying comfort. A larger cab with 10% more glazing for unobstructed views and exceptional visibility is a big plus on the job. A state-of-the-art filtration system with charcoal filter and in-cab fan keeps the cabin clean at all times. Terrafelis 3 Evo is the most modern beet loader cleaner. This powerful machine offers maximum operating comfort, which is due to the Holmer Dynafill automated filling device, as well as the spacious cab and the fast-folding automation. The cleaning concept is individually tailored and solutions are available for the most varied conditions of use. The 31.9 feet wide pickup table, the 49.2 feet overload distance, and the clever counterweight balancing arrangement complete the overall concept. In 2023, Gould introduced the new LT Master F60. In fact, it's a combination of baler and bale wrapper. Not only corn, but also corn stover, alfalfa, sugar beet pulp, grain, garbage, wood chips, mixed fodder, and many other raw materials can be processed into perfectly compacted and wrapped bales. All thanks to this modern and productive machine. The LT Master F115 features a fixed chamber press and produces compact bales measuring 1.96 by 1.96 feet. It also provides customers working with small bales with proven Gould quality. Well, friends, get acquainted. You see the unique, innovative self-propelled bale baron, a state-of-the-art small bale wrapping system. The machine itself is based on the same innovative design concept as the trailed model. Built with power and versatility in mind, the Marcrest will increase bale production without the need for a tractor. Be 100% sure of that. A robot named Ripa is a robot for intelligent sensing and precision operations that can recognize weeds and foreign objects in a given sector of a field using highly sensitive sensors. The unit weighs 550 pounds and is solar-powered. Thanks to a set of these sensors and a sophisticated algorithm, Ripa can already distinguish weeds from cultivated plants, as well as to find foreign materials, stones, pieces of glass, or metal. Further developments will give it the ability to remove weeds and foreign materials with 99% accuracy. The SPW Power range complements the existing SPW Intense range of self-propelled mixers with vertical twin augers for very intensive use and is available at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. The overall design of the SPW Power offers the same advantages of the SPV models, combining compact size with maneuverability. A mixing tank with 2 vertical augers is available in capacities from 59 to 72 feet cubed and is mounted between 2 axles. This new series provides a usable volume of 72 feet cubed with an overall height of less than 9.8 feet. The VisioSpace cab, Kuhn Connect connectivity, and 4 steering wheels are standard, giving you exceptional driving comfort. Mowing and conditioning are the first and significant steps in the silage making process. The new Kuhn FC13460 model RA will help you achieve these goals. The mowing area is constantly increasing, but the optimum mowing periods are limited, and it's important to harvest high-quality forage. Win the race against time. The Moco of this model, from a high-performance supplier, delivers significantly higher work output than conventional mowing combinations. The company Argyle's Fruits has released its new model of machinery, AF4, a platform designed for fruit picking. The machine has a 3-cylinder Lombardini motor, which produces 25 horses of power. The machine also has a hydrostatic transmission, 2 speeds from 0 to 8.7 miles per hour. There's a parking brake system and a servo-hydraulic drive system. The installation of a hydraulic elevator at the front and rear has not gone unnoticed. This 4-meter platform also has 2 working wheels, 2 directional side wheels with gangway and hydraulic level.
And you can see for yourself just how efficient it is at picking fruit in the orchard with these features. The K4 disc chain has a 6.3-inch disc spacing, thereby providing an overlapping area to cover more than 100% of the ground cover, even when working at shallow depths. With its sharp edges and smooth surface, this disc effectively transforms the outstanding weed-killing power of the CL2 disc chain into a lighter, less aggressive option. At the center of the K4 platform is a hook and eye system, to which the interchangeable paddle disc is bolted. The links are connected to form a disc chain, which is secured with a locking bolt. Links can be added or removed from the chain without the need for disassembly. The disc chain demonstrates excellent performance in moderate conditions, working quickly and at shallow depths. The Sleipner E550 transport system is designed for excavators with lifting capacities from 401 to 565 tons. Sleipner carts allows you to move hydraulic excavators safely and faster. Speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour and save your undercarriage wear. It's easy to operate. Just roll on the carts, turn around, put the bucket on the truck bed, and go. The system, by the way, is simple in every way and is now being used in mining operations around the world and other environments where high mobility is essential. Also, this video was shot during training and commissioning, where the Sleipner E550 was used to haul a Komatsu model PC5500. Horning maize cutting bars are known worldwide for their high efficiency, reliability, and low maintenance expenses. The high-speed rotors ensure perfect cutting even under the most difficult conditions, particularly when the crop is wet and clogged. Cut maize and many other crops for feed and biogas production, even under difficult conditions with the full working width. The Top Cut Collect Weed Harvester is a technology for mechanical weed control in the case of a non-resistance problem or in the case of a chemical-free farming strategy. Weeds and weeds growing taller than the cultivated plantings are cut with a horizontal knife exactly above the top of the cultivated plantings. By cutting, collecting, and removing weed seeds, field hygiene is improved. The mower system with double knife beam and special spiral reel works neatly without spilling weed seeds. The machine is available in working widths of 29, 39, and 59 feet. The system, which consists of conveyor belts and a large capacity collection container, very thoroughly removes weed seeds from the surface. The Zern 160 is a modern selection harvester for clean and unmixed grain harvesting. The Zern 160 has been developed from scratch. The modern machine concept meets the highest requirements. The threshing unit, cleaning system, and engine have sufficient power reserves for harvesting demanding crops from specific areas of land. The ergonomically designed cab provides maximum comfort for the driver and operator. The combine harvester is modularly designed and can be individually configured according to customer requirements and wishes. You're looking at the Zern D96 cross-seed drill. Cross-sowing means that plants have the same growth conditions in all sowing rows. Sowing with a transverse seeder is carried out by periodically stopping and sowing across the direction. The test results are therefore not affected by the tramline edge effect. The tractor-mounted drill is equipped with an extendable frame with a hydraulically lifted coulter system. The seed is fed separately to each row via a store table. The cross-seed drill is automatically controlled from the tractor. Zern seed drills are designed according to the modular principle. The coulter system and other technical equipment is fully adapted to the needs and wishes of each individual customer. And this is what the large tree planting machines of the model range from PL50 to PL90 from the DAMCOM program look like. All these machines are equipped with a heavy and high-quality digging element that is ideal for planting alley trees, fruit trees, shrubs, and large conifers. The PL75 and PL90 machine types can be equipped with a lifting mass for planting clumps up to 2.95 feet in diameter. Possible groove widths for these machines range from 1.65 to 2.95 feet. Groove depths range from 1.3 to 1.65 feet. Meet your friends. This is one of the best tomato harvesters in the industry. It was manufactured by Pickrite, and it was truly the right solution for difficult soil or field conditions. This machinery was designed to provide increased profitability and efficiency to its customers. Trust me, these tomato harvesters will maximize your investment. Benefits include reliable performance, clean yields, and quality operation in all climates. With the Model 190, you can harvest 30 to 50 tons of tomatoes per hour, regardless of soil and field conditions. This corresponds to excellent recovery and superior tomato varieties. CornX offers a solution for extending the shelf life of green fodder, which the experts have perfected after extensive research and tests on the preparation of baled silage from corn. This machine, for example, has patented technology and the lowest silage baling costs. The technique can produce 110-pound bales, which are the most convenient to handle and use due to their shape. The machine operates at an exceptional compaction speed, which results in the highest quality silage. Moreover, worth highlighting is the 6-layer packaging with UV protection and the ability to produce 20 to 25 tons daily. Also, a big plus is the possibility of automatic packing, weighing, and ejection of the bales. In this video, you can see a unique machine combination in operation. The Knoll Multi-Baler 1220, a combination baler and wrapper for short fibers, is combined with a tractor and front chopping system driven by the tractor PTO. This one-man operation is unique worldwide and allows users to directly chop and process corn or other products from the fields into high-density, best-shaped round bales. Multi-Baler 1220 provides high efficiency and is the right machine for every professional. This machine makes packing silage and other products simple, easy, and extremely efficient. With more than 30 years of experience in designing and manufacturing agricultural equipment, Agronic offers a simple solution. Place the rake in the front. When used with an attachment or front loader, the WR series allows one operator and one tractor to do more work in one pass, saving time, saving fuel, reducing emissions, and reducing soil compaction are the main benefits of operating this equipment. The 3 models in 16-foot, 20-foot, and 23-foot working widths allow you to rake alone or work with the next implement, such as a baler or self-loading trailer. Attention! Developed and tested in Finland, in real stony conditions. The machine collects stones across the entire working width in a single pass. The Agronic Rock Tornado cultivates the soil over the entire working width, including the center line, thanks to the integrated center rotor that loosens and throws stones to the side rake cultivators. A working depth of 0 to 3.9 inches can pick up stones ranging in size from 1.18 to 19.7 inches. It also features a low-loss manual transmission, but the tractor power required is 75 kilowatts per 100 horsepower. The Jumbo Forage Harvester trailer has been designed for maximum productivity and maximum efficiency. It offers harvesting with unrivaled cleanliness, the exceptional reliability of a pickup trailer, the flexibility and capacity of a transport trailer, precise chopping quality, and the high performance of a forage harvester. The new Jumbo series thus combines the key functions of forage harvesting and transportation in one machine. Servo 3000 with 3 to 5 bodies is the middle of Pottinger's mounted reversible plows, designed for medium-sized tractors up to 200 horsepower. The plow impresses with its simple adjustment center and a wide range of customization options. The proven body of this plow, in combination with various additional implements, guarantees perfect incorporation of crop residues as a basis for the following harvest. Proven technology is combined with convenient and practical functions, all in the latest generation of VitaSem mechanical seed drills, to guarantee simple and precise sowing for all farmers. The VitaSem machines have been modernized and optimized to the maximum. Their proven technology is now combined with an even easier operation. And you know, this is the hallmark of mechanical seed drills from this company. With VitaSem seeders, you can lay the foundation for healthy growth of future plants. Whether you're working with silage or hay, on flat or hilly terrain, Pottinger hit tedders from Pottinger deliver perfect results everywhere. The innovative Dynatech rotor technology ensures the cleanest possible spreading and maximum forage protection. The working widths of the 4 HIT HT models 28.2, 34.75, 41.65, and 55.77 feet guarantee maximum impact force. Despite the large working width, the power required for tedding is still low. Thanks to the trail design, the tractor does not need any lifting power. With the HIT HT tethers, small tractors can work large areas of land. Swedish trailer manufacturer Ivarsson's I Mistjo has launched its Metaflex 4X 4-axle hook lift. The new hook lift has a lifting capacity of 30 tons and accepts Scandinavian and European standard containers with lengths of 19.6 to 24.6 feet. The technique is based on the Mistjo gearshift system with telescopic cylinders that work in synergy. The system does provide a very fast tipping process and low dead weight. Despite 4 axles and a 30-ton payload, the Metaflex 4X weighs only 6 tons, which means it lifts a weight somewhere around 5 times its own weight. Ropa has developed the new Mouse 6 beet loader with a significantly larger cab and networked workstation in a class of its own. This new model from the technology leader in beet harvesters has been given a new, modern design. The exterior of the Ropa Mouse 6 already symbolizes digitization and agriculture 4.0. The panoramic cab of the modern design creates a feeling of spaciousness and rises to 16.7 feet in working mode. A new computer, joysticks, and 2 12.1-inch terminals create intuitive operation. The driver's seat, with swivel seat and integrated ventilation and heating, is a visualization of technological leadership and the beginning of a new era of network communication in sugar beet loading. The 4-row Enduro screening combine from DeWolf has become one of the most important players in the self-propelled combine market. With a 2-section hopper providing a comfortable capacity of 9 tons, this machine claims to be the largest in its market segment. The combine also offers excellent traction, even in the most difficult conditions. Finally, the Enduro is the clearest and easiest machine to operate, and all thanks to its ergonomics and absolute ease of operation in the cab. You see the Guardian self-propelled sprayer with front boom from New Holland. With a ground clearance of up to 6.5 feet, it's one of the highest in the field. This means it can be used to spray crops at all stages of growth. This model has 410 horsepower, a 7,300-liter tank, and booms up to 138 feet wide, which together allow you to treat more acres in an hour. Its high-tech cab provides maximum comfort, clear visibility, and control over your work thanks to more space. The Guardian's tight turning radius allows for fast, precise turns on the headland, reducing crop damage and easy maneuverability in the most demanding situations. SmartTrac's T8 Genesis models are progressive in traditional tractor design, combining the benefits of a wheeled tractor in the field with the passing and traction advantages of a tracked machine. Designed in-house specifically for the T8 Genesis series, and available on the T8.410 and T8.435 models, SmartTrax is not just an alternative to rear wheels. Drivetrain modifications ensure maximum power and torque are transferred to the tracks for reliable performance in the most demanding applications. The combination of steerable front wheels and SmartTrax provides excellent traction. The electrically driven front wheels provide the maneuverability of a conventional tractor, and the Terralock differential lock control system keeps the tractor running smoothly, unlike 2-track machines. With high traction, the T8 Genesis SmartTrax provides the most optimal balance between power and performance. Small livestock operations that produce round bales on their own schedule need simple equipment that is built to last. That's exactly what the New Holland Roll Belt Model 450 Utility Plus baler provides. This easy-to-use baler truly combines the proven performance of a super sweep pickup and mechanical filler with a rugged, legendary roll belt design. What's more, it maintains a low power consumption of just 45 horsepower at the PTO, perfect for smaller utility tractors. The Rollabar 230 extends raking widths up to 30 feet, providing tremendous capacity to reduce the number of passes needed to get the job done, thereby increasing overall efficiency and productivity. It's ideal for raking swaths produced by self-propelled mowers with heads up to 19 feet wide and center pivot mocos. The Rollabar 230 is easy to adapt to the field and crop conditions. You can change the height and tilt of the basket with a simple turnbuckle adjustment, and the intuitive control box allows you to make changes on the go without getting out of the tractor seat. Plus,
Using the red and blue buttons on the control box, the Rollabar 230 folds to a width of 10 feet 8 inches for easy maneuverability and confident transportation to your next location. New Holland has created the new T8 Genesis from PLM Intelligence. From an updated cab designed to make driving experience as comfortable as possible, to intuitive next-generation controls that can be easily customizable for the task at hand, every detail has been carefully designed to meet your needs. The new T8 Genesis is the first tractor on the market to fully integrate New Holland's advanced PLM Intelligence platform. So wherever you are, you'll always be able to access real-time statistics, information, and support. All these developments and innovations have evolved to create the most intuitive tractor you could ever imagine. The new Speed Rower Plus series is the most productive, precise, and powerful self-propelled mowers ever built by the New Holland brand. The Speed Rower Plus series offers superior handling with advanced sensor drive electronic control, increased productivity with the industry's highest speeds, easy-to-use precision land management or PLM solutions, and the most comfortable ride in the company's history. The new Durabind Plus disc cutter bars are designed to take advantage of higher speeds and improve cutting and conditioning quality. The three-wheel reaper binder harvests wheat, rice, oats, barley, etc., and automatically binds the bundles in one operation. The use of BCS reaper binder ensures almost 100% straw harvesting and complete grain recovery with minimal shattering losses. This not only saves time, but also proves to be very economical and profitable due to lower operating costs compared to manual harvesting. Harvesting, reaping and tying is done at the rate of 1 acre per hour and diesel consumption of 1 liter. This is a seedling transplanting machine with a rotor system with clamps, which is designed for transplanting bare root grape shoots, cuttings, both for flat and sloping land. I'd also like to point out right away that the TH100 from Spaperi is an incredibly versatile, flexible, and highly productive machine. This machine is essential for precision transplanting, which requires cross-checking the straight and diagonal lines of the planting pattern for the control units for connecting the machines to GPS, RTK, and automatic tractor steering systems. Joanna 5 Premium is the newest model in the series of combines in the same name, which is designed especially for those customers who need a specific machine for processing tall bushes. This machine excels in a variety of berry plantations with row spacing of 11.5 feet or more. The Joanna 5 Premium model is especially designed for harvesting chokeberries, rose hips, and other crops that can be even up to 10 feet tall. Thanks to the longer cross conveyor as well as the longer shaker, this combine is characterized by increased productivity and at the same time, it does not damage the bushes themselves. Thanks to the modern hydraulic system, this combine can be equipped with rear swivel wheels and a side leveler. This machine consists of a cross-shaped frame with hardened steel disc chains with sharp edges attached to its 4 open sides. The concave interchangeable discs are suspended together by hinges to form a flexible unit whose weight can be varied between 176 and 265 pounds per foot by means of additional segments. These particularly heavy chains provide optimal adaptation to soil structure due to their weight and mobility, and according to the company, are designed for more aggressive chopping of hard crop residues than classic disc harrows. Flegel promises to significantly reduce operating costs through simple tensioning of the wide chain pulley frame and consequent savings in herbicides, which is a particular advantage in weed control and resistance. The Olivion electric shake rake has been specially designed to make olive harvesting easier and more profitable. This technique combines maneuverability and lightness, while keeping the tree and its branches safe. Available in 2 models, they're adapted to different types of fruit and are on average 8 times faster than manual harvesting. Easy to use, with impeccable efficiency, this machine is equipped with an ergonomic vibration isolating handle. You can comfortably use it throughout the workday thanks to its exceptional battery life. The Horsch Pronto 7 DC is a universal sowing machine that is ideally suited for different crop types, sowing conditions, and different tillage techniques. In addition to classic crops such as wheat, rape, and barley, the machine can also be used to sow intercrops or grasses, and with the optimized pneumatics, even uncultivated spelt can be sown. Thanks to the new frame design, the Pronto 7 DC is slightly lighter than previous generation models and can be coupled with the same tractor. The low traction of the machine helps to reduce soil compaction. With its excellent working width, the drill is quick and productive in sowing. Compared to the Pronto 6 DC, the new model works a 118-foot wide strip in only 5 passes, while its predecessor worked in 6 more passes. This saves up to 20% in fuel, time, and reduces the impact of compaction on the soil. Kuhn has released and officially launched its new self-propelled autonomous feeder, capable of serving up to 280 cows on a livestock farm. Aura, as it's called, operates autonomously. With the help of GPS and RTK system, it's able to move autonomously around the farm, collecting and distributing feed to numerous animals. Built-in loading and weighing modules calculate the exact mix of feed additives, including grass and corn, as well as the necessary supplements and concentrates. Mixing and chopping speeds can be adjusted to create a uniform feed with a palatable consistency. The 56 horsepower diesel engine enables the machine to operate for a week in continuous loading and feeding mode, making the Aura a truly autonomous assistant.
A helicopter equipped with a GoPro on the boom doesn't just fly, it rules the sky, spraying crops with surgical precision. The nozzles operate via GPS maps, controlling pressure and spray rate to prevent chemical waste. One pass, and hectares of green fields are safe from pests. A pumpkin revolution without hose or aching backs? Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Now that's Vogel at work. A platform with a conveyor gently collects zucchinis and pumpkins, sorting them on the move. Blades cut the stems, the produce travels up the belt, and the operator just watches. Automation meets delicacy, and the harvest stays whole and safe. The Pyrus 2 harvester digs like a sniper. One row, no misses. It's seriously powerful. The share lifts the tubers, a vibrating grate removes the soil, and clean potatoes are gently placed on the surface. This method is ideal for early harvest. Minimal damage, maximum quality. The harvester carefully picks up dried onion heads from the ground using a polyurethane foam roller. Collection happens in 2 stages. First, onto a longitudinal conveyor, then a cross conveyor, and from there, straight into a truck driving alongside. A hydraulic system adjusts the feeding angle, and everything is controlled from the cabin. When surgical precision meets fan-powered force, Goliath hits the field. This 4,200-liter giant sprays liquid through an air hose, ensuring even coverage even in moody weather. GPS turns off nozzles where no spraying is needed, saving every drop. Its steering axle makes turning easy, even on potato ridges. When a seeder is called monumental, you know a true colossus has entered the field. The ultra-wide frame covers massive areas in one pass, laying seeds with mathematical precision. Hydraulic sections, disc openers, controlled depth, all fully automated. When the field turns into a swamp and mud flies sky high, the Sonalica just growls louder. A 50 horsepower diesel engine, high clearance, deep treaded tires. It plows, cultivates, and hauls anything you hitch to it. It fears neither puddles nor sticky soil. To it, it's all just a playground. It may not shine with chrome, but it digs like a pro. The share gently lifts the soil. The potatoes roll onto a moving belt where workers sort the tubers by hand on the go. Slow but steady, the magic lies in simplicity and the precision of every element. Straw Hexatech takes round or square bales, shreds them, and evenly spreads straw bedding in stalls. Dust is minimal, noise is nearly non-existent, and the speed exceeds farmer expectations. The perfect helper for daily chores, minus the mess. While one arm wraps the bales, the other is already stacking them, all without human intervention. A 24 horsepower diesel, Profi auto program, and simultaneous multi-process operation turn this machine into a true bale wrapping pro. Just select a mode and watch the field turn into a warehouse of perfect bales. Fire hungrily devours the wheat, but the farmer races along the fiery edge, mowing grass right up against the flames to rob the blaze of its fuel. His tractor isn't just a machine, it's armor on wheels. The powerful front mower slices through the vegetation, creating a firebreak strip. The enclosed cab of the Fiat Agri throws straw chips into the field, blanketing the soil in a layer of golden softness. A distributor with an adjustable auger evenly spreads the material, creating bedding or moisture-retaining cover. Multiple machines work in sync, each with a large bunker and pneumatic feed system. Just look at how smart this machine works. It arrives at the harvest site. Its cab lifts, it unfolds completely, then transfers the crop and folds back into its original compact form. Working with a machine like this is pure joy. This machine with a lifting mechanism works like a cargo transformer. The body lifts, tilts, and gently dumps the contents exactly where needed. The hydraulic system folds everything back in seconds, as if nothing ever happened. Lightweight, mobile, and wheeled, Lobisa knows how to handle professional unloading with finesse. This machine is a hybrid of human and automation, a semi-automatic harvesting process where the equipment does all the heavy lifting and the person only guides it. The harvester gently grabs the heads, cuts, sorts, and lays the produce right into a trailer or crate. It suits cabbage fields of any shape, and best of all, with zero waste. Coururier works like a motorized surgeon, neat, precise, and efficient. It handles the dirty work, cutting heads, securing them on the platform, and moving them along the belt. It's optimized for both crate and conveyor collection, ideal for high-density fields. Fennel is a delicate crop, but this machine knows how to handle it. The Winkelrurier gently uproots it, preserves structure, and lays the vegetables in a row. No damage, no stress. A combination of a cutting head and conveyor makes the process smooth and fast. When weed control demands flexibility, this burner adapts to the field. You can change the working width from 10 to 12 feet in minutes, no tools needed. The machine uses thermal treatment. A gas flame evenly covers the soil, destroying weeds even at depth. When it's time to clear an entire field, the multi-row Vitis brassica steps in. Its synchronized cutting mechanisms neatly slice up to 4 rows at once. Built-in conveyors place the crop into containers with 0 damage. The best part? Modularity. You can adjust working width, lifting height, and tilt angle to suit any cabbage variety. The RoboCrop vision system recognizes each plant by shape and color, while its disc cultivators precisely cut out weeds without touching the crops. It handles up to 3 rows at once, with up to 98% accuracy. Controlled via tablet, it moves smoothly on electric drive, silent and eco-friendly. Mikhail wraps round bales with jeweler-like precision. A height-adjustable hydraulic platform spins the bale at up to 30 RPM, while the dual-wrap system applies 2 layers of film simultaneously. A tension control sensor ensures airtight wrapping, even with varying bale densities. Performance, up to 70 bales per hour. When manure turns into fuel for future crops, serious power is needed. The lagoon stirrer, with its 25-foot shaft and 36-inch impeller, operates at 540 RPM, creating full circulation to blend slurry into a uniform mass. Dual hydraulic lift and adjustable depth allow adaptation to any tank. Kubota works on waterlogged fields using flotation tracks with wide support, gliding over silt without sinking. It transplants 8 rows of seedlings per pass, controlling depth, angle, and density. Semi-automatic operation, GPS guidance, and auto-line keep rows perfectly straight, even on difficult terrain. This mounted equipment levels the soil to template specifications, forming raised beds with precise geometry and a central slot for drip irrigation. An adjustable blade and side deflectors shape the bed, while the unit's weight compacts the soil for optimal layout. When you need to harvest peat, not just quickly, but cleanly and accurately, EcoField 45 takes the stage. With a working width of up to 14 feet, it mechanically shaves the surface of dried peatland, forming it into clean windrows. A front-mounted V-rake arranges the mass into perfect rows for drying. The 942, a mulching aristocrat. With 415 horsepower, the smooth variodrive transmission, and intelligent traction control, Fendt remains nimble even with heavy implements. The Celli-rotor mulcher tears into cover crops, shreds and churns them into topsoil, creating an even, organic fertilizer layer right in place. When it comes to threshing grass seed, Lun and Handelsbedrijf knows no equal. Imagine the power of a John Deere 2266 Extra Combine that gets the job done with ease. With a JD 820 cutter bar that's nearly 27 feet wide, this green monster handles even the largest fields with no problem. Its 255 horsepower engine and capacity of up to 20 tons per hour make it a true giant among combines. Every time it passes through a field, you can hear the seeds falling into the hopper like a harvest melody. Imagine a field perfectly plowed by your new assistant. the Agbot 5.115 T2. This autonomous beast gets the job done with ease, providing 13 feet of grip and up to 12 inches of depth. With its powerful electric motor and advanced sensors, the Agbot handles up to 15 acres per hour, ensuring smooth and quality plowing. This smart robot not only saves you time, but also increases your productivity. Are you ready for a revolution in agriculture? The Agbot 5.115 T2 will show you how it's possible. You had no idea that transplanting plants could be so easy and effective with Microbacter. This tool handles the task with ease, like a magic wand. Its sharp blades and ergonomic design allow you to quickly and carefully transplant your plant without damaging the roots. Its ease of use and reliability make it an indispensable assistant for any gardener. When it comes to mowing natural grass, the Steer 8300 from Tunter Agricultural Services is an engineering marvel. This tractor handles large areas with ease thanks to its 20-foot working width and 320 horsepower. The state-of-the-art control system and ultra-sharp blades ensures that every bit of grass is cut perfectly. Imagine your lot transformed in minutes. You only have to look at the AGI X2 series auger conveyor from Flyman Agriculture to realize how fast and easy it is to transport grain. Its modernized open discharge chute, robust hood, and steerable axles make transporting grain quickly and efficiently to large bins a magical experience. Powerful and reliable, the AGI X2 gets the job done, saving you time and effort. The splendor of harvesting cane with the whole stalk cane harvester will not leave you indifferent. This powerful unit with an 8-foot reach handles cane at speeds of up to 3 acres per hour. Each pass is perfectly cut and cleaned stalks thanks to its advanced cutting and cleaning system. The cane is stacked in even rows, making it easy for further processing. The efficiency and productivity of this machine is amazing, making cane harvesting as easy and fast as possible. Want to see your crop harvested with incredible precision? This harvester will help you. Just look at the Plataforma Colhe Tudo WB D12000 Draper. This machine is a real boon for harvesting. With a working width of 40 feet, it grabs huge areas in minimal time. The sturdy and sharp blades ensure a clean cut, and the advanced feed system ensures that every spike goes into the hopper. Its capacity of up to 20 acres per hour makes it an indispensable helper in any field. Ready to see your crop harvested quickly and efficiently? Imagine a monster in the field, the Nexat Widespan Trägerfahrzeug. This powerful machine, with a working width of up to 120 feet, transforms the concept of farming. Its versatile platform makes it easy to change work modules for different tasks, from seeding to harvesting. Its 1,500 horsepower engine and speeds of up to 6 miles per hour make it indispensable on large plots. Imagine how quickly and efficiently it gets the job done, saving you time and resources. Who said peeling walnuts is hard work? The Cadola 280ED and Cadola 180ED make it easy and fun. These machines are like nut chefs. The 280ED, with a 3-foot working width and powerful engine, handles the nuts like a hot knife through butter, while the 180ED finishes the job by peeling the leftovers with incredible precision. Together, they tackle any crop without leaving a single nut in the peel. Are you ready to see how easy and fast your crop can be processed? Watch the Pick Right HC290 pick ripe tomatoes. It's a tomato extravaganza. With a 12-foot working width and a powerful engine, this harvester turns a chore into an exciting show. Its excellent advanced sorting and peeling system ensures that every tomato is neatly picked and processed. It can accurately process up to 10 acres per hour, so your field will be empty faster than you can eat a salad. Are you ready to see your crop harvested with the utmost precision and speed? Just imagine a ridging machine and a plastic paver in one super combo. Kenco's 2-row super combo is a real find for farmers. With a working width of up to 72 inches and up to 6 miles per hour, it makes the job of laying beds and plastic in half the time. In Hanshaw and Keepling Fields in Florida, this monster handles tasks with ease and grace. Imagine how your labor in the field becomes a pleasure thanks to this powerful helper. Imagine our nation's largest tractor and rock crusher in action. With a 600 horsepower engine and a working width of up to 20 feet, this giant turns any rocky soil into fine crumbs. Operating at speeds of up to 3 miles per hour, it tackles the toughest jobs in the field. The rock crusher easily crushes rocks up to 12 inches in diameter, leaving behind perfectly prepared soil for seeding. Have you ever wondered how to turn lawn care into a real art form? The JCB Fast Track 4220 with 16-meter VMO 23 gang mowers at Teal Turf Fields will show you how. With a 235 horsepower engine and speeds up to 37 miles per hour, this tractor turns even the largest fields into perfectly smooth green carpets. With a 52-foot reach, the VMO mower tackles any area in a single pass. It's time to enjoy the results when your lawn looks like a picture, and you've saved tons of time and effort. Imagine unloading barley from a huge silo bag extraction Akron sausage bag. A sight worthy of an Australian farm. Tillage bags, affectionately known here as sausage bags or sausage sacks, can store huge volumes of grain. The Akron system unloads the barley neatly and efficiently, preserving its quality. Have you ever wondered how to make your work in the field easier? Meet the Krone KWT trailed rotary tedders. With working widths up to 50 feet and 18 powerful rotors, they evenly distribute hay, speeding up drying. These tedders operate with precision and efficiency, turning every pass into a work of art. Ease of operation and high performance make the Krone KWTs indispensable helpers in your field. When the John Deere 8100 teams up with the Väderstad Carrier 650 in the field, it's like a symphony of power and precision. With the 21-foot working width and incredible productivity, this duo makes work a breeze. And as a final chord, the APV PS800 M1 seeder completes the picture. Looking at this trio, you feel the field come to life and every corner gets a fair share of attention. When the DiPietri Hoover RS48 gets to work, arugula gets the VIP treatment. This trimmer features a powerful 15-horsepower engine and a unique vacuum collection system that keeps your beds clean and organized. With its precision and processing speed of up to 3 miles per hour, plants will look as if they were tilled by a professional gardener. Each pass leaves perfectly manicured rows ready to be admired. Meet the true master picker, the carrot harvester. Equipped with a powerful 120 horsepower engine and an advanced automatic sorting system, this harvester makes harvesting a pleasure. With its speeds of up to 5 miles per hour and careful handling of each root vegetable, carrots get into the containers without a scratch. Your carrots will look like the cover of a cooking magazine. The Land Manijek Type 1090-1240 is an innovative approach to fertilizer and liquid soil application. With a powerful hydraulic drive and pressure control system, this injector guarantees accuracy and uniformity up to 20 inches deep. With an automatic dose adjustment feature, the Type 1090-1240 makes the job fast and very efficient, minimizing costs and increasing yields. Do you want your plants to receive the perfect nutrition without any extra effort? Then you know what machine to look for. Imagine the Tira loading bales with grace and power. This bale loader is equipped with a 150 horsepower engine and is capable of lifting bales weighing up to 2 tons. Its hydraulic system provides precise control, and automatic leveling makes operation incredibly easy and efficient.
The Tira is capable of operating at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, allowing you to load bales quickly and accurately, saving you both time and effort. With a Dalbo 40-foot wide, your field gets first-class care. This roller tills wheat fields with ease, ensuring perfect soil density and evenness. With its help, every grain receives optimal growing conditions. The Dalbo works with such precision and speed that you forget about crop problems. Imagine your field in the palm of your hand, level and ready for a great harvest. Are you ready to experience the power and efficiency of this roller? This is a great handy hack, I'll tell you. With such a device that even a child can operate, every berry bush will be in full order and under control. Forget about worries and troubles. This device is so simple and effective that you'll wonder how you used to do without it. Just look at the Kioritz, a cool machine on wheels that makes spraying in the vineyards a real pleasure. This cool and stylish driver-operated machine maneuvers between the rows of grapes like a superhero among agricultural machinery, ensuring an even and efficient coverage. With its quiet, powerful engine and precise spraying system, every bush gets its fair share of care. With the Yakiva drainage plow and Case Quadtrack aardvark cart, heavy clay soil is no longer a problem. The Yakiva penetrates deep into the soil like a sharp sword, creating channels for perfect drainage. And the mighty Case Quadtrack aardvark, with its robust design and high power, follows the plow smoothly, ensuring stable and efficient operation. This dynamic duo transforms even the most difficult areas into perfect fields for seeding. Have you ever wondered how dandelions are harvested? As it turns out, it's an art form. Imagine a method where every movement is perfected and a special device does all the work for you. This device, like a magic wand, carefully collects all the white cap and packs it into a separate bag. How do you like this approach? When the John Deere S770 is out on the field in tandem with the Jerringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30, sunflower harvesting becomes a real spectacle. This duo, like a well-coordinated orchestra, works with astonishing efficiency. The powerful John Deere S770 with its 450 horsepower engine handles all conditions with ease, and its innovative cleaning system ensures maximum productivity. The Jerringhoff Sunlight Horizon 30, with 30 feet of pickup, neatly cuts and feeds sunflowers into the combine, leaving behind a perfectly clean field. This is how roller coaster it turned out to be. I have to be honest, I wouldn't mind working in such conditions myself. Would you risk a ride without forgetting about work? The Rupak Spimaro SPRH 1-38H is a real boon for harvesting lettuce and spinach. Like a jeweler, this machine cuts every leaf with incredible precision. The powerful motor and advanced cutting system ensure a neat and fast harvest without damaging the plants. With the SPRH 1-38H, your crop will look like it was harvested by hand, but many times faster. All you have to do is control the process and enjoy perfectly harvested spinach leaves. Just look at how easy it is to move the animal feed closer to the pens with this unique machine. Convenient indeed, and the animals are always fed and satisfied. Meet the Revolution Netmaster, the new leader in net distribution. This efficient unit mounts on a tractor front loader or mini loader, making it incredibly easy to use. The self-loading hydraulic cam lock clamping system ensures perfect net tension, whether it's standard bales or 59-inch or 75-inch high deer netting. With the Netmaster, you can work with 2 rolls, which speeds up the process considerably. Plus, it's coated in the best Revolution's tradition of durable, high-quality sandblast paint. Wondering how to get your ditch back to its former cleanliness? Then take a look at the Hemos 450, your personal ditch cleaning superhero. This amazing machine works like a real wizard to clean out all the excess debris and dirt. Forget the long and agonizing attempts to manually deal with clogs. The Hemos 450 does it for you, and will do it in style. Your gutter will shine clean, and you can enjoy the results. Meet your friends, the new tree transplanter from K&K Enterprises. This wizard works with your compact and subcompact tractors with ease, turning tree transplanting into child's play. But that's not all. It's compatible with mini loaders, fork. Go behind the scenes with the Fife's Anexco Pineapple Farm in Costa Rica and see a true symphony of technology in action. Watering, fertilizing, soil preparation, and harvesting are all done by specialized machines, each one as a conductor of its own process. Want to know how perfect pineapples are created? Fife's Anexco will show you all the secrets. The AFH5 from Argyle's is a real boon for fruit and vegetable picking. See how easily and gracefully this machine handles watermelons in the video. It seems as if the watermelons jumped into the container by themselves. The AFH5 works with such precision and efficiency that your fruits stay intact and fresh. Forget about hard physical labor and long hours in the field. This machine does all the work for you. Just look at Carbon Robotics' autonomous weeder. The future is here. This autonomous weeder robot uses lasers to mercilessly kill weeds, leaving your plants safe. Imagine it working silently and efficiently in your field, eliminating the need to use chemicals or spend hours weeding. All you have to do is watch it maneuver between the rows, clearing the ground with the precision of a surgeon. The Mengel SF300 Combine Harvester is the benchmark for convenience and efficiency in the agricultural industry. Don't be surprised, but in addition to its compact dimensions and clever design, the machine is capable of delivering excellent results in the field. In the latest version, this machine is equipped with a rear hopper, which increases its capacity and simplifies the harvesting process. In addition, the integration of 4 weight sensors allows for accurate measurement of the weight of each corn sample area, which is an invaluable plus in precision farming. With these innovations, the SF300 not only delivers high productivity, but also provides farmers with accurate data for yield analysis, making each season more predictable and profitable. What does the future of agriculture look like? Monarch Tractor offers a glimpse of this with its all-electric tractor that not only eliminates exhaust fumes, but also serves as a multifunctional solution. It works as a tractor, an ATV or all-terrain vehicle, and a powerful generator. With the ability to operate autonomously, the Monarch is equipped with roll and collision avoidance systems and a 360-degree camera for complete control. It analyzes up to 240 gigabytes of data daily, optimizing field processes and increasing yields. The Monarch Tractor is not just a machine, but a revolution in the agricultural industry. How can technology transform your farm? Meet Robot One, a revolutionary robot equipped with 14 cameras and a dual GPS antenna. It's ideal for large plots and effectively combats weeds, making manual weeding a thing of the past. With Scan and Act, the Robot One automatically tends to the first 100 meters of the field, keeping the plants in perfect condition. It not only removes unwanted weeds, but also collects data,
creating an accurate map of each plant's location for precise treatment later. Give Robot 1 the power to simplify the care of your crops, bringing innovation to your farm and increasing its productivity. The AVIC standalone laser bird repeller, distributed in South Korea by Bird Control Korea, is a high-tech solution for protecting crops and objects from birds. This device uses advanced laser technology to effectively repel birds, minimizing the risk of them damaging and falling on their protected areas. The reliability and innovation for which Bird Control Group is renowned makes this repeller an indispensable tool in combating bird problems, ensuring peace and order whenever it's needed. The Power Rake wheeled rake is the ideal tool for medium to small plots, where a moderate amount of crop needs to be harvested. Equipped with independently moving levers, these rakes are highly adaptable to the terrain, enabling efficient swath formation, even on difficult sloping terrain. Their unique design facilitates material collection and provides excellent swath formation, making harvesting cleaner and more organized. Power Rake Star Rakes combine functionality and convenience, making them an indispensable tool for efficient farm management. Hoopman Machines stands out in the market for their focus on the design and manufacture of specific Holaris onion processing machines. As you can see, their range of machines includes topper, onion harvesters, and topper cutters, each built with reliability in mind and equipped with advanced technology to ensure efficiency and precision in onion processing. These machines are specifically designed to maximize productivity and reduce the physical effort required during harvesting, making the process more economical and less labor-intensive for growers. The K3000 is a revolutionary harvesting machine, especially for coffee beans, designed to work on various land types. With the ability to adjust the side slope by 30%, weighing 18 pounds and measuring only 10.5 feet wide, this machine has simply outstanding maneuverability. These features make the K3000 an easy to transport from one plantation to another. The model is equipped with an advanced steering system and provides easy maneuverability, even in areas with narrow row spacing, allowing you to quickly move from one coffee row to another. This ability makes the machine the ideal companion for efficient coffee harvesting, where every minute counts and every bean counts. Are you ready to take your farming operations to the next level of efficiency? The TM1210 and the TM1410 trailed mowers offer just that, allowing you to work large areas quickly and efficiently. With a cutting width of 17.7 feet on the TM1210 and 20.8 feet on the TM1410, these machines maximize productivity on every pass, and their compact 9.8-foot transport width makes it easy to move between fields. The mower's clever design leaves no chance for residual grass, ensuring a clean and even cut. You'll agree, we have some pretty powerful tools here. Looking for a versatile solution for the care of your green spaces? Amazon presents Grasshopper, a mounted mower with top-notch quality and reliability. This tool is equipped with a container capacity of 1,350 to 3,500 liters and offers working widths from 4.4 to 6.9 feet, guaranteeing high performance on larger areas. Thanks to its versatility, the Grasshopper is ideal not only for cutting grass, but also for scarifying, mulching, and collecting leaves and other debris. You can be sure that this mower will become an indispensable assistant for professionals who value quality and efficiency in landscape maintenance. Take a look at how perfect rectangular bales can be created with the right equipment. This technique ensures that every corner of the field is processed flawlessly and in the shortest possible time. Indeed, words are almost unnecessary here. It's better to see this machine working in the field once. The efficiency and precision of this machine not only speeds up the work considerably, but also ensures a high-quality harvest. KWS, together with the University of Göttingen and the Institute for Sugar Beet Research, have decided to tackle weeds in a new way with robots. As part of the project Future Live, they tested robotic systems to combat pesky weeds in sugar beet fields. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. To think about it, robots that make sure our beets are healthy and weed-free. Things like this not only make farmers' lives easier, but also make agriculture more planet-friendly. Meet the new heroes in the world of agricultural technology, the heavy-duty HDSR step rippers from Degelman. If conventional tillage isn't enough for you, these guys will come to the rescue. The HDSR goes up to 24 inches deep, which is a record for a ripper. And with 45 inches of clearance under the frame, you'll have plenty of room to get all those rocks and plant debris through the machine with no problem. Furthermore, changing work items is now safer and easier, which will save a lot of time and nerves. Meet John Deere's new Hagee STS sprayers with See and Spray's premium technology, a real breakthrough in weed control. Not only will this machine help you significantly reduce herbicide costs, saving over 50%, but it will also increase the cost-effectiveness of your operation. With its high clearance and front hybrid boom, the sprayer is ideal for different conditions and allows for effective weed control in any season. The new Hagee STS sprayers show versatility and high performance in one package. Well, now you see the ROC RT 840M, an attachment that knows how to surprise with its flexibility. With it, you can change the working width from 19 feet 6 inches to 27 feet 5 inches thanks to a dual hydraulic system that allows you to adapt right on the go. When the pickups are connected, this technique can unload hay to the right and left, and when separated, it can unload between the two parts or into the middle. And although it cannot be folded for road transportation, the functionality in the field makes the technique an indispensable assistant on the farm. Are you already familiar with the state-of-the-art TrackX control system? This thing is a true master of control that will cooperate perfectly with your machinery. The thing is, the system is equipped with RTK precision to follow the machine perfectly, both in straight lines and curves, making it easy to control and shortening your work time. And the best part is that whatever your job, you only need an ISOBUS screen. So forget about a number of extra screens or boxes in the tractor. Everything can be simple and straightforward. The Grimm Prios 440 is characterized by its modular design, which offers a wealth of customization possibilities and provides a high level of operating comfort. Thanks to its unique design with goose drawbar, intermediate frame, and separate lifting mechanism, this machine allows you to work the soil with any standard tool. At the same time, you can apply fertilizer, granules, furrow dressing, and liquid fertilizer, and plant potatoes at the same time. The Grimm Prios 440 is a true multifunctional assistant for your farm, which makes your work in the field more efficient and convenient. Krone has launched two new and powerful bow mowers, the EasyCut B 880 CV-CR Collect and B 1050 CV Collect. These machines are equipped with air conditioning as standard and can be optionally supplemented with cross conveyors. In addition, with the EasyCut B 1050 CV, you can combine swaths using the cross conveyor augers. These mowers are ideal for those who are looking for efficiency and power in the care for large areas. The Krone RX loader trailer equipped with the OptiGrass cutting system sets new standards in the professional segment, ensuring the highest forage quality and maximum productivity. The multifunctional loader trailer offers a transport volume of 33 to 40 cubic meters and is ideal for loading and dosing green forage, as well as for use as a transport trailer in forage harvesting equipment. With the high-performance OptiGrass 28 and 37 cutting units, the Krone RX guarantees a neat cut and uniform forage placement, thus increasing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Meet the new Krone Swadro Model TC1570, the largest four-rotor rake on the market that doesn't just rake, but does it with flair. With a unique V-shaped frame, this rake not only amazes with its performance on areas of up to 51.5 feet wide, but also provides an incredibly smooth ride and ease of use. And if you thought that was the max, here's the Swadro TC2000, the big brother with 6 rotors and a working width of up to 62.3 feet, which promises stability and quietness in even the noisiest work. Swadro TC1570 roll widths range from 4.6 feet to 9.5 feet, while Swadro TC2000 roll widths range from 5.2 feet to 9.2 feet. Watering tomatoes can be a spectacle too, if you have a Casella PLMP 150-480 irrigator. It's not just a hose reel, but a real technological powerhouse with an integrated motor pump that helps you achieve an average yield of 130 tons per hectare. And how does it look in action? It looks great. No wonder watering tomatoes can be a real spectacle with this equipment. In a mature South Australian almond orchard, the Kelly Model 1204 is hard at work. This disc harrow is not just a machine, but a Swiss Army knife for farmers. It handles pests with ease, turns post-harvest residue into fertilizer, and prepares the soil for new crops, all thanks to its unique rhomboid-shaped system, which allows you to adapt different discs and spike chains for any task. And all this without the traditional heaviness. The ASA Lift TC1010 is a trailed single-row cabbage harvester that makes harvesting easy and efficient. This machine is equipped with an unloading elevator and special cleaning agents that automatically remove excess leaves from the cabbage. Thanks to this approach, harvesting becomes not only faster, but also more convenient, ensuring high-quality processing of each cabbage. The Vervet Hydrotrike is perfectly adapted to work in hilly terrain. Thanks to the 5x5 all-wheel drive system, this machine can apply fertilizer efficiently even on slopes where special power and stability are required. In addition, the Hydrotrike is equipped with a hydraulic pump that delivers 175 liters per minute, providing 130 horsepower. An upgraded 3-point suspension system has replaced traditional leaf springs, improving shock absorption, especially at the front of the axle. The system also includes a tilt sensor that automatically locks the suspension on a particular side when a tilt is detected. However, you can see in the video that it's on level ground that the machine performs well. Here it is, a true all-rounder. In this video, you'll see how the Bale Bandit 200 makes hay harvesting a real spectacle in action. Notice how this machine skillfully binds hay bales right into the field like a farm superhero. See how agilely and quickly it gets the job done, making farmers' work a little easier and more fun. In agriculture, where labor is always in short supply and costs are rising, many farmers want their tractors to be more than just tractors. They want them to be able to perform the functions of a combine harvester. It's for such needs that BCS has developed a new product, the Reaper Binder with front control on the tractor. This device transforms an ordinary tractor into a versatile machine that can not only plow the land, but also harvest it. Easy to operate and efficient, this device opens up new possibilities for farmers, helping them to optimize resources and increase productivity in the fields. In Chandler's young walnut orchard in Greece, the X16 harvester shows its best. Forget walnuts, this guy is working with something else. With a large hopper capacity, it handles the crop without too much interruption. But what's really impressive is how the X16 manages dusty conditions thanks to the dual motor filters, providing peace of mind in even the hottest conditions. Truly, the X16 is a cool nut harvesting machine that makes hard work easy and efficient. Behold, the true forest monster. Equipped with a powerful drive and a steel disc, it cuts through shrubs and trees up to 14 inches in diameter, turning them into mulch in seconds. Its belt drive ensures uninterrupted and efficient operation in harsh conditions. WaterGator is a perfect predator for tackling algae. This remotely operated genius cuts, collects, and removes excess vegetation with incredible precision, cleaning up to 2 acres of water per hour and restoring ponds to their pristine clarity. The skid loader splits logs up to 30 inches long like a hot knife through butter. With its hydraulic drive, it can process tons of wood per day, leaving behind neatly arranged firewood. This harvester revolutionizes sugarcane harvesting. It handles hundreds of tons of crops daily, simultaneously cutting, cleaning and loading stalks with smart hydraulics and razor-sharp blades. A floating irrigation pump redefines watering methods. Gently moving along canals, it delivers water to even the most remote areas, ensuring even moisture distribution and optimal crop growth. Farmall has taken harvesting to the next level. Smoothly rotating blades cleanly cut stalks while preserving their structure, and high maneuverability allows it to operate on the most challenging field terrain. Cleaning gravel roads with the Volvo EW is a straightforward and efficient process. The hydraulic manipulator and precise attachments easily clear shoulders, restoring a tidy road appearance in minimal time. The Allen Schwadleger turns potato harvesting into a fast and flawless process. 4 rows of blades carefully unearth tubers, minimizing damage and increasing productivity with its high-speed operation. The V-shaped windrower forms precise rows of peat, gently gathering it from the soil surface with adjustable rotary rakes. Then the EcoField machine completes the job, cutting, shredding, and mechanically collecting the peat into its hopper. The Trio Track machine autonomously loads ingredients using a powerful bucket, then thoroughly mixes them in a massive drum and evenly distributes feed into troughs, saving time and ensuring a perfectly balanced diet. The Kolnag potato planter plants 4 rows in a single pass. Its automatic tuber feeding system gently places them into prepared furrows, while rear closers cover the planting with soil, creating optimal conditions for growth. The Vicon Fast Bale handles bale wrapping at record speeds. After compressing the hay, the roll moves to the wrapper, where a dual film attachment system tightly seals the bales, protecting them from moisture and ensuring long-term storage. The lightweight backpack frame of the still sprayer, its powerful turbine and adjustable spray range make it easy to quickly treat trees, bushes, or crops, saving solution while covering up to 30 feet with a single motion. Planting saplings in a nursery becomes a seamless process thanks to the John Deere tractor and attachment equipment. The tractor carves perfectly straight furrows, automated mechanisms lay the saplings, and workers carefully secure them by hand. The AB EC170 is a true find for working on steep slopes. Its precision cutting blades handle grass and shrubs on hard-to-reach areas, while its all-wheel drive system ensures reliable traction even on challenging terrain. The Cleveland Trencher cuts trenches with surgical precision. Its powerful chain mechanism slices the soil up to 4 feet deep, simultaneously removing dirt and preparing the perfect path for laying utilities. Vocal transforms cucumber harvesting into a true automated magic. No tedious bending, no risk of damaging the crop. Its conveyor deftly collects vegetables and sends them straight into containers. Thanks to the Reichhardt system with inch-perfect steering control, this mower moves across the field as if on a string, perfectly aligning rows of hay and grass. The hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth operation at any speed. Equipped with motion sensors and AI, laser scarecrows instantly detect birds and animals, emitting laser beams that are safe for nature but intimidating for pests. The system autonomously analyzes the behavior of guests and selects the optimal deterrence tactic. This powerful machine can transplant trees whole, with roots and soil intact, carefully excavating them for a new home. Its unique shovel gently lifts the soil around the roots, preserving the integrity of the root system. The harvester features wide intake belts and a powerful vibration system that gently shakes branches so fruits fall directly onto conveyors. Pneumatic cushions soften the impact, ensuring apples remain intact for processing. The Asa lift operates smoothly, even on difficult terrain, gently lifting and cleaning carrots straight from the ground. High productivity is achieved through its innovative gripping system and conveyor that efficiently removes dirt while protecting roots from damage. This bike cuts neat grooves in rice fields, slicing the surface like a blade. Its compact frame and ergonomic handles allow maneuvering in narrow rows, while the special wheel carves precise furrows for drainage and planting. The Stratman Verde begins by loading ingredients into its twin-screw mixer, where powerful knives and augers blend the feed to the desired consistency. The automated dosing system precisely controls the output, while the screw conveyor evenly distributes feed into troughs. The finest pea harvesting process starts with delicate plant handling to minimize losses. The machine gently picks pods and transports them along belts, cleaning away any residual foliage. This machine picks up and neatly stacks up to 15 bales at a time, simplifying their transport and arrangement in the field. Its automatic gripping system saves time and effort, organizing bales into stacks ready for quick loading. The 7.4-foot wide mower gently cuts and lays down onions for collection, slicing evenly across the entire width. Compact and maneuverable, it's ideal for both narrow and wide rows. This equipment lays hay and feed directly onto platforms or into troughs, saving time and effort during high-level feeding. Its sturdy design and lifting system ensures safety and precision at every level. The Afron Twin combines a harvester and shaker for fruit collection, gently vibrating branches to release the crop. Its dual grip system ensures harvesting without damage or loss. The Super Bio Chopper Compact chops up tomato remnants, turning them into mulch right in the greenhouse. Its compact design and powerful blades quickly dispose of old plants, preparing the soil for the next crop. The Rexer 630 harvests beets with their roots intact, sending them along a conveyor equipped with a cleaning system that gently removes residual soil. Its 3-axle design and 30-ton bunker capacity allow the machine to operate at record speeds with exceptional precision. The fast block forms and lays seedling blocks with maximum precision, evenly distributing plants according to a preset scheme. Its precise planting system and adjustable speed automate the process and reduce labor costs. This is how you can organize perfect and highly efficient aerial plant treatment. It's a spectacle to watch, absolutely captivating. High-precision planting machines work in sync with the team, ensuring uniform depth and spacing between vines. This coordination and advanced technology accelerate planting and boost yields. Powerful knives and rollers delicately process corn on the move, stripping the cobs clean in real time. This machine operates continuously, harvesting and cleaning crops twice as fast while keeping each kernel intact. When the rounded Damcon shovel gently bites into the soil, it's like a surgical procedure. The tree root is excavated with jeweler-like precision and immediately relocated to a spot without the slightest stress. One machine and one operator, tree transplantation becomes a controlled dance of steel and soil. This other Damcon model doesn't plant trees. It precisely measures distances, depth, and vertical alignment of planting. The conical press lever lays the root into the hole, compresses the soil, and in seconds, the seedling stands firm. No shovel, no fuss. Tubeline is a true ninja in the field. The bale is grabbed, wrapped, laid down, all on the go, while the tractor races after the baler. An automatic film cutting and pickup system, dual grip and side tipping. It's not just wrapping, it's a show of speed, precision, and efficiency. The Deep Field robot by Bosch isn't an agronomist, but a cyber farmer. It identifies weeds from crops and acts with pinpoint accuracy. No chemicals, no mistakes. It irrigates, fertilizes, weeds, all with a camera, AI, and algorithms, so that every leaf feels cared for with intelligence. The Cavalli & Cavalli stone roller is like a steamroller over chaos. It crushes, compacts, and buries stones, turning a field into a flat canvas ready for sowing. A powerful rotor in an oil bath works tirelessly in dust and rock, asking only for fuel and respect. A Green Alley architect, a universal crown master. This tractor-powered pruner works right on the streets. It straightens, shapes, trims so that the trees become sculptures. It approaches each tree with respect but firmness, not a single stray branch. The stevia harvester bursts into the field like a DJ at a festival. In front, a rotating drum that shreds the plants to the beat of raw power. All the sweet biomass flies into the hopper without loss, perfectly in rhythm, without stops or hiccups. Almonds and apples don't even have time to fall. This harvester finds, picks, gathers, and stacks them, already dreaming of new orchards in Spain. 2 days in a row, it didn't tire for a moment. Hydraulics, pickup system, conveyor. Everything works like an orchestra under Frumaco's baton. They call it the box eater, and it earns the nickname. 22 containers of harvest, all in one trip. No panic, no fuss. Frumaco built the perfect heavyweight, like a van on steroids. Fast loading, secure fixing, gliding across the field like Swiss wheels. This Flemish wonder planter is like a gastronomic lab in the field. Bulbs are sorted, counted, planted with mathematical precision while a tractor driver sips coffee. Everything is automated, from loading to braking, with a dual screen monitoring the process. Look closer and you'll see the magic. 3 belts feed the bulb. A roller presses it into the soil at the exact depth, all in fractions of a second, precisely without error. Every machine movement is calculated like dance choreography. These wheels are not just hoses, but orchestra players in a floral waterfall. Furbo delivers moisture to the bulbs precisely, losing neither a drop nor an inch. Smart control systems, adjustable pressure and spray length. The whole irrigation process becomes a finely tuned drip waltz. This load doesn't just scatter hay, it lays it down like a designer placing carpets in a luxury suite. Evenly, gently, right along the bed. The hay delivery system by MH works like a typewriter, without skewing, without glitches, turning any area into a cozy mulched haven. When this giant enters the field, hazelnuts start to tremble. It's the largest and most versatile harvester in the world. AMB Rousset has built a monster that shakes, collects, sorts, and loads all at once, leaving no nut behind. This telescopic vibrator shakes nuts with such precision, it's like negotiating with each tree individually. The VHT hydraulics from AMB don't just shake, they extract the harvest gently, powerfully, and strictly along the axis, without damaging branches. Imagine a tank driving through a potato field. Only instead of tracks, it has caring tentacles, and each tuber is picked up as gently as a baby. The 4-row Quattro by DeWolf doesn't drive, it hovers over the beds, sifting the soil and perfectly extracting the harvest. Carrots no longer need to be pulled by hand. Just let the Verbruggen warm up and it'll pull, clean, and stack the root vegetables faster than you can say vitamin A. You don't take part in the harvest, you conduct it. Spinach is a delicate crop, but this machine handles it like you would handle porcelain. It gently cuts, gathers into trays, and delivers product ready for packaging. And all this while you control the process with a single joystick. When you need to go between trees instead of mowing them down, you choose this gliding virtuoso from Toscano. It dances between rows, loosens the soil, mixes in organics, and doesn't touch a single bark. Surgeon-like precision, plow-like effect. Ever seen a harvest picked like a conveyor belt right from the field? Look from above. The drone shows the magic in detail. Workers cut the fruit, and Proveyor gently moves it onto the platform, saving miles of walking and hours of time. The perfect symbiosis of human and machine. You can't imagine how fast raspberries can be harvested. The full-row Oscar by Jagoda pulls bushes into rows of gentle shakers, shakes off the berries onto a conveyor, and sorts them into a bin. This machine can cover up to 1.5 acres per hour without damaging bushes or losing yield. The grasshopper soft vibration system gently shakes off blueberries, placing them into chilled hoppers. In the field, it can process up to 2 hectares per day, with a swath of about 4 feet. Not a single berry escapes. In Germany, sunflowers are harvested like a superhero movie. The 16-row Olimac Drago Gold, paired with Class Lexion, races across the field, slicing heads, separating grain, and discarding waste in seconds. Up to 18 tons per hour. You won't even have time to blink. Now forget herbicides. American farmers literally burn weeds. A system with pinpoint flame delivery heats up to 2 million BTUs and destroys the cell structures of unwanted vegetation in seconds without touching the crops. When your rows are overgrown like a jungle, the top hedger by Afron comes in handy. This mounted unit with rotating blades neatly trims the plants at the edges, like giving them a barber-style haircut. The result? A tidy orchard, clear paths, and full control over the greenery. One tool is good, but 2 is better. Afron's equipment rolls out with 2 extendable booms and tidies up both sides at once. In a single pass, it straightens the hedge with inch-level accuracy. Want symmetry? You've got it. No extra turns or hassle. Look closer. That very platform unfolds like a giant mechanical hand, gently collecting everything the tree generously gives. A perfectly designed structure catches every nut, without losing a gram. Harvesting becomes much faster and with minimal waste. Need fast corn processing? Just toss in the cobs and watch as the massive thresher devours, grinds, and neatly sorts everything on its own. The key is to feed the cobs on time. The machine will handle the rest. South Korea will surprise you, not just with tech in the city, but also in the swamp. A planter that walks over soggy soil like it's asphalt. No slipping, everything precisely in line, like on graph paper. Planting in a swamp? No problem. Love tea? Then see how it's harvested. This Japanese machine with a Kubota diesel engine on board seems made for morning dew. It gently and precisely collects the first, juiciest batch of tea leaves. 3 cylinders, water cooling, and productivity farmers once only dreamed of. When pistachio harvest begins, the most spectacular moment is the shake. The tree releases a golden rain of nuts. The machine works with jeweler-like precision. No bark damage, not a single nut lost. The result? Full bins, ready for drying and sorting. At IFAPA in Seville, they unveiled something that could revolutionize the citrus industry: mechanical harvesting on super-intensive plantations. The machine hugs the hedgerow, shakes the trees, and gently collects the fruit. No hands needed, just tech that knows the difference between an orange and a leaf. When you need to transplant a tree, not as a seedling, but already fully grown, Damcon Tech steps in. A huge rounded shovel embraces the tree with its roots, digs it up undamaged, and relocates it, like a gentle giant replanting a living thing. Want to know how peat is harvested on an industrial scale? Look at Mary Peat, a peat cutter that turns a swamp into a warehouse of ready material. Everything is precise. The blade cuts the soil, slices, forms. One pass, and you've got piles of organic fuel ready for drying and packing. When a slope seems too steep for machinery, in comes the CH Engineering Grape Harvester. Just look at how this machine glides across the incline while harvesting. No skidding or panic here, just precision, balance, and work-driven excitement. ELHOV Twin isn't just a rake, it's a smart assistant in the field. The front system gathers forage into perfect windrows, lets it dry properly, then syncs with any rear baler. More feed for the animals, fewer laps around the field for you. When it comes to growing lettuce, everything must be perfect, starting with the soil. That's where Masano equipment comes in. A soil preparation unit that readies beds like for an exhibition. It works deep, smooth, and with heart. Smart, precise, robotic. The Iseki-sane plants rice in 8 rows with such meticulousness, it might have been programmed by samurai. Electronics control the process, rows are ruler straight, and the result is a stable harvest with minimal effort. Before you is DeWolf equipment, and it's a true carrot monster. A 2-row harvester finds, pulls, and gently collects carrots as if it had built-in eyes and surgeon's fingers. It rolls through the field like a tracked tank, undeterred by bumps or turns. Garlic is a finicky fellow. Try pulling it out gently. But the Japanese are ahead again. A compact harvester with precise mechanics handles the job with ease. One pass, the bed's empty, the crate's full, and your back is fine. Not a machine, a lifesaver for farmers who work with brains, not just hands.
Meet the Alpha R Active, where innovation meets the field. Initially adorning Evrard Meteor trailed sprayers, the R Active system is now embodied in the self-propelled machines of the Alpha series, breaking new ground in agricultural technology. It's not just a sprayer, it's a workshop on wheels, providing precision control with minimal residual volumes and maximum spray quality. Why is this so important? Because every drop counts, and R Active ensures they all reach their target. Add to that the ability to dual diaphragm pumps to maximize performance, and you have a machine that can turn the perception of quality spraying upside down. Stylish styling with an updated grille, LED headlights, and protection for durability makes the Alpha R Active not only functional, but also a visually appealing tool for the modern agriculturalist. Evrard is once again defining the future of agricultural technology with Meteor R Active, a trailed sprayer that combines innovation and functionality. With its advanced design and compact frame, the sprayer promises high efficiency and ease of operation. With Delta Force booms up to 118 feet or Palmier aluminum booms up to 148 feet, the technique provides a wide range of applications. Integration with auto-terrain and active slant systems ensures precise terrain following, while a unique load transfer system optimizes performance even in the most challenging conditions. With the new PPI continuous circulation system and the smart 7-inch command box display for control, the Meteor R Active sets new standards in spraying. When it comes to silage compaction, the Horlara Stego 285 Pro is your unbeatable hero. Designed with the highest quality and reliability in mind, this roller ensures that your grass and maize silage stays fresh and rot-free for much longer. How does it achieve these results? The secret is in its unique ability to fill with water, sand, or molasses, making it a true heavyweight among rollers. It masters the art of removing air between layers, ensuring your silage is perfect. And by the way, it works in tandem with the Horlara's Viking tool, which is ideal for spreading grass in the silo. It comes standard with hydraulically folding and extendable arms, as well as optional forks. With the Sleep Slangen from HKA, caring for the land becomes easier and more efficient. This slurry spreader with 3 hose systems ensures an even distribution of fertilizer over the fields. The result? The soil gets the nutrients it needs for healthy plant growth, improves its structure and moisture retention capacity. This not only contributes to higher yields, but also maintains the ecological balance, making agriculture more sustainable. Sleep Slangen turns ordinary agro-practice into care for the future of the field and the planet. Looking for a solution to improve peat soils? The Rodenberg sprayer from HKA is what you need. This lightweight machine is capable of processing up to 500 cubic yards of material per hour, demonstrating outstanding performance with minimal energy consumption. With a working width of up to 131 feet and the ability to fill with water, the Rodenberg sprayer is ideal for working on difficult peat areas. It features the ability to drain through a hose, providing efficient distribution and wide coverage, even far from the ditch. Low weight and excellent distribution make this tool indispensable for improving land quality and accessibility. Liebrecht Manufacturing presents the revolutionary Maxi Reel trailer, featuring a unique design with a heavy-duty frame and spindle system. This trailer guarantees perfect stability without the need for support rollers. Fully hydraulic operation from a tractor or separate unit provides unrivaled ease of operation, including remote control from the cab. Hydrotrike from Verviet is your faithful ally in the efficient processing of liquid maneuver. Characterized not only by luxury, but also by practicality, the self-propelled machine offers drivers a comfortable and spacious cabin with huge windows for better visibility. Operating the machine? Everything is at your fingertips, thanks to the conveniently located shift lever and terminal in the adjustable armrest. With 2 customizable Sauer-Danfoss pumps and a powerful hydraulic drive, the Hydrotrike provides precise fertilizer distribution even on hilly terrain, thanks to its unique 5x5 drive system. Discover the master of mechanical weeding, the TerraTech holder with crisp cult fingers. This innovative tool is designed for those who appreciate the beauty and health of their vegetable garden. Thanks to its special fingers, it ensures that the soil between plants is gently loosened, effectively reducing the number of weeds without harming your lettuces and other vegetable crops. It's not just a convenience, it's a revolution in plant care. Weeding is no longer a tedious chore, but a quick and pleasant process that gives you the satisfaction of working with the soil and taking care of your green corner. Are you tired of endless battles with weeds on your farm? Tillage offers a game-changing solution, the Finger Weeder. This mechanical genius features finger weeder cultivators with flexible poles designed to gently remove weeds around crops like green onions and cilantro. Not only does this machine reduce your reliance on manual labor, but it also makes cultivating a field more efficient and less tedious. With the Tillage, weeding turns from hard work into a precise art, and its stylish design adds fun to the process. A real find for those looking for both quality and style in agro tools. When it's time to harvest onions, the Rider 1 opens new horizons of efficiency, no matter the weather. Forget worries about wet or dry field conditions. This powerful machine handles all conditions, ensuring a perfect harvest. With its unique 40-inch picker and innovative 16-roller table, the Rider 1 ensures even distribution of onions by trimming the haulm with over 95% efficiency. Its ability to handle up to 35 to 40 tons per hour makes it an indispensable assistant in your farm. Speed and folding control of the loading conveyor right from the cab? Yes, please. Plus, its efficient length to reach the second row of boxes on the trailer makes onion harvesting even more efficient. The self-propelled giant among carrot harvesters, the Simon Liner, can do everything twice as well. This 2-row carrot harvester has a unique feature. Its tethers and lifting conveyors are positioned like an experienced gardener's hands, ensuring efficiency at every step. With a 9 cubic meter hopper and an elevator for neat unloading of the crop onto the trailer, the liner guarantees high quality and productive cleaning. And thanks to the Scania control monitor, every engine parameter will be under reliable control. All combine functions are controlled via joystick and the intuitive Simon SM2 interface, providing maximum power and simplicity in every action. Introducing the Monarch Mark V, a new generation tractor that's ready to change the way you think about agricultural technology. This miracle tractor not only eliminates emissions, making it 100% eco-friendly, but also transforms into a powerful power generator in the field. By integrating with NVIDIA's advanced Jetson Edge AI platform, Monarch breaks new ground in autonomous and robotic technology. Can you imagine a tractor that follows you around, performing tasks without driver input? Or one that keeps you working safely around the clock by preventing rollovers and collisions? The Monarch Mark V makes it all possible, ushering in an era of safe and sustainable agriculture. In a year of using Monarch Mark V electric tractors, like those at Constellation to Kalen Vineyard, a farm can become a model of sustainability. These emission-free machines not only protect the planet, but also increase efficiency through autonomous features. The introduction of the Mark V can reduce fuel costs, reduce the need for manual labor, and ensure precise tasks from planting to harvesting. The use of these tractors in a prestigious vineyard emphasizes the reliability and ability to improve the quality of the iconic wines, making the whole process greener and more efficient. How would you feel about your feeding process being fully automated? With Monarch's Mark V, it's not a fantasy, but a reality. This advanced auto-drive equipped tractor independently ensures consistent and accurate feeding of your dairy herd around the clock. Forget about labor and fuel costs. The Mark V gets the job done without fatigue or extra expense. Plus, its eco-friendliness ensures a clean and healthy barn climate. Monarch Tractors continues to develop, making the feeding process not only more efficient, but also more pleasant for the environment. Meet Robot One, your new agronomic ally in the world of smart agriculture. Equipped with 14 depth sensing cameras and a dual GPS antenna, this advanced robot is the ideal solution for cultivating large-scale farmland. With its help, regenerative farming becomes a reality as its work improves soil fertility, reduces erosion, and promotes biodiversity. Robot One guarantees soil health and increased crop yields thanks to its ability to adapt to any condition. Thanks to its unique elbow wheel and tool arrangement. With the robot's precise crop handling and effective weed control, any farm will become a model of sustainable and highly efficient farming. A real technological revolution is taking place on an apple farm in South Korea, thanks to the AVIX automatic laser bird repeller. This device not only protects crops from uninvited guests with wings, but does so with incredible flair. Imagine this: instead of prodding birds with a good old-fashioned scarecrow, farmers can now rely on an elegant laser show that's not only safe for the feathered birds, but also incredibly effective. Yes, in the battle for the apple crop, AVIX is becoming a true knight in shining armor, chasing birds away from the valuable fruit. Now, while many can only dream of having automatic doors in their home, Run Chicken Eternal makes those chicken and rooster dreams a reality. Forget the manual labor of closing the coop in the evening and imagine your feathered friends coming home under the protection of reliable solar-powered automation. Predator-proof and made of aluminum, the door will keep your flock safe and give you peace of mind. What's more, it's environmentally friendly and promises to last up to 5 years, even if the weather tries to test it. Lakeland introduces the SG400 and SG500, revolutionary fencing systems that will make your sheep and goats rethink their values. Forget endless attempts to keep your flock confined. These systems do it all for you, giving each animal personal space and freedom. It's like an elite club for select sheep and goats with contactless entry. The SG400 and SG500 provide not only security, but also autonomy for your flock, allowing them to enjoy life to the fullest. So if your sheep start to behave a little happier, know that Lakeland is to blame. Have you ever dreamed of an irrigation system that cares for your field as much as you do? The Zematic Precision VRI makes that dream a reality. With this technology, you can fine-tune the irrigation of each zone and crop, providing ideal growing conditions without wasting water or energy. Fewer maintenance trails, less soil erosion and runoff, more yields. And it's all available right from your smartphone via FieldNet, making it easy to change irrigation plans on the fly. Add to that the exclusive constant flow technology for corner systems, and you have not just irrigation, but a true tool to achieve agronomic miracles. Make every drop of water work for you, because the Zematic Precision VRI is the future of farming today. The GF400 is the farmer's multi-tool for high-quality soil preparation and ridging of vegetables and potatoes. This 4-row tiller adapts to your needs, going from full tillage to ridging mode in minutes. Intensive tillage ensures optimal growing conditions for your crops, while TerraProtect protects the ground from erosion. Use the GF400 with a planting machine for simultaneous cultivation and planting. Compact the ridges with hydraulic rollers and add seeders on a lifting frame for a complete seeding solution. The GF400 turns complex tasks into simple solutions for yield and soil care. What do you think happens when technology meets nature under the stars? In Romania, the XAG P100 agricultural drone soared over fields of corn that reached human height, turning the night into an arena of its prowess. The XAG P100's state-of-the-art radar and terrain adaptation technology turned it into a night guardian, avoiding obstacles without fear and protecting crops from unseen threats. Can man and machine together change the future of agriculture?
Meet the ace among planters, the modified Garmok planter, the dream of every garlic farmer. This mechanical machine is not only for garlic, but also for onions, beans, saffron, gladiolus, and other tubers, making it a versatile tool for small and medium-sized farms. The secret to the efficiency of the technique? Simplicity. Plus, it comes with a set of chains with different diameter cups welded to them, 0.86, 1.1, and 1.4 inches, for precision and planting flexibility. Are you ready to take your fit to the next level? Anderson Merge Pro turns the haymaking process into a true art form. This camless hay shredder is a true champion of speed, revolutionizing traditional methods of operation. With advanced technology on your side, expect maximum efficiency and minimal downtime. Anderson's Merge Pro is your choice for unrivaled precision and high quality in hay combining. And the machine ensures that every section of the field is accurately utilized in the best possible way. The Damman Track 2800H in tracked version is not just a sprayer, it's your reliable partner in the fight for the harvest. With 47 inches of ground clearance, it leaves the competition far behind, ensuring that every inch of the field gets the treatment it needs. It's ideal for those who value both speed and accuracy. With speeds of up to 25 miles per hour on its tracks, it reduces tillage time while still providing access to the toughest areas. Its air suspension and versatile steering allows you to customize the track width to suit any requirement, providing exceptional comfort and precise machining. When was the last time your grain production got a real boost? The Farmit Falcon 6 Pro represents a technological breakthrough that will take your farming to the next level. This versatile combine can do everything from sowing cereals and oil seeds to precise fertilizer application, all with minimal impact on the soil. With the Falcon 6 Pro, not only will you get increased productivity thanks to its powerful system and GPS technology, but you'll also preserve the health of your soil for future harvests. Plus, its ease of maintenance will make seeding up to 12 miles per hour and fertilizing easier than ever. It's not just a machine, it's your investment in a sustainable and profitable future. You can see a masterpiece of farm equipment from ETS, the leader in strip till and fertilizer application. Why should this equipment be on your farm? Because the manufacturer of this equipment sets new standards in efficiency, increasing soil productivity and your income. Each machine is built for the maximum, from performance in the field to unrivaled durability and ease of operation. See how easily and efficiently it works to improve soil health and provide all the nutrients your soil needs. You see the revolutionary PR2500 double drum plastic mulch lifter packer, which transforms mulch removal into a simple operation. This innovative unit lifts and packs plastic at the same time, saving you time and effort. Designed with convenience in mind, the PR2500 efficiently removes plastic, separates it from soil, vines, and other residue, and then neatly rolls it into compact bales for easy disposal. It's ideal for handling plastic mulch any time of year, whether it's spring removal of sweet corn mulch or fall clearing of fields. The PR2500 is also effective for drip tapes, whether they're buried or on the surface. Meet the Delacroix broccoli trimmer, a true technological giant that demonstrates skill and innovation in harvesting. The broccoli soldiers marching along the conveyor belt meet their master, a dual-head trimmer with not only amazing cutting precision, but also an impressive durability of 11 years. This modified machine, having reduced the number of cutting heads to 2, does not lose in efficiency, but emphasizes the company's unique approach to vegetable processing. As you can see, each head of broccoli is processed with artificial precision in preparation for shipment to the consumer. You're looking at more than just a Triumph 6-row 4.0 planter from Cecchi and Magli. It's your trusted partner in your dream garden, capable of placing seedlings at a minimum distance of 18 inches between rows. Ideal for finicky plants with lush leaves, from tomatoes to hemp. This machine promises convenience and high efficiency thanks to its semi-automatic mechanism. Its heart is a 10-cup rotating spreader that guarantees a capacity of up to 5,000 plants per hour per row. Add to this the folding hydraulic frame for easy transportation and its independent modular transplanting compartments, And you have the perfect tool for your agrarian creativity. Do you want to see a real revolution in leek harvesting? It's the ASA Lift PO335. The machine doesn't just harvest, it redefines the rules of the game by minimizing soil and leaf buildup and reducing downtime for cleaning. The dual shaking system ensures that even in the most challenging conditions, every leek stalk is perfectly cleaned. Soft picking belts and the unique ASA Lift boomerang suspension ensure that no stalk is left behind. Forget traditional methods and rely on innovation with the ASA Lift PO335, a machine designed to make your job easier and increase efficiency at every step of the harvest. This equipment transforms garden clippings and crop residues into perfect mulch in a single motion. High-quality blades work precisely and quickly, leaving a smooth layer that improves soil structure and protects it from erosion. With a 27-foot cutting width, this mower easily handles large fields. Its sharp blades deliver clean, precise cuts, preserving the nutritional value of grass for storage. A high-performance auger with an upgraded open discharge chute, reinforced housing, and newly adjustable axles ensures fast and efficient grain transport into large storage bins. This harvester cuts sugarcane, removes leaves, and loads it directly into transport. Smart sensors control cutting height, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. An autonomous tractor navigates fields using GPS and cameras, performing tasks from plowing to planting. Driverless operation and millimeter-level precision make it a jack of all trades. The Culti Select system scans plant rows, distinguishing crops from weeds. Selective blades loosen the soil, eliminating weeds while leaving crops untouched. The Camstar Herbs Harvester carefully cuts parsley using precise blades and gentle handling for transportation, preserving freshness and minimizing damage during harvest. This transverse weeder, controlled by a PLC system, independently adjusts the wheels for each section. It maintains precise working depth, and automation ensures smooth transitions between standby and operation modes. The Birdie Picker attachment for tractors shreds tough branches into fine chips. Its powerful blades handle any wood, leaving the field clean and ready for replanting. A test demonstrates how the bag unloader extracts grain at a rate of up to 9 tons per hour. The mobile feeding system handles large volumes effortlessly, ensuring efficient field logistics. The Krone Tedder, with a 65-foot working width, gently lifts and turns hay or forage for even drying. Adjustable spreading angles allow efficient operation even on hilly terrain. The Jaring Off header cuts stalks with surgical precision, instantly extracting seeds. The result? Fewer losses, more seeds, and a farmer's harvest delight. This engineering marvel creates perfect planting holes, precise, clean, and with minimal disruption. While it works tirelessly, you simply choose the seeds to plant. The synchronized operation of this pair begins with precise cutting of each head of lettuce using adjustable blades. The cut lettuce gently moves onto the conveyor, ready for sorting and packaging. The John Deere feed mixer lifts, mixes, and levels feed to make it more accessible for livestock. Side paddles collect scattered remnants, while the adjustable feed mechanism accurately delivers feed to troughs, with no waste or extra effort. Workers collect watermelons and place them on the harvester's conveyor belt, where they're sorted by size and ripeness, and simultaneously prepared for transport.
The SPW power range complements the current SPW Intense Twin Vertical Auger self-propelled mixer models, designed for very heavy use and available at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. The SPW power design takes advantage of the SPV model's advantages of compactness and maneuverability. The mixing tank, with two vertical augers located between two axles, has capacities from 59 to 72 feet cubed. This new series provides access to 72 feet cubed of usable volume with an overall height of less than 10 feet. The VisioSpace cab, the Kuhn Connect connectivity system, and finally, the 4 standard steering wheels provide exceptional user comfort. Kuhn has developed self-propelled silage mixers to meet the needs of livestock producers with a focus on reducing herd feeding time. The Pelenk robot is an autonomous electric platform with LiDAR sensors and RTK GPS, capable of analyzing planting density, leaf health, and growth direction. During assembly, each robot section is manually calibrated, from suspension to chassis, to handle vineyard slopes of up to 30 degrees. It moves between rows independently, analyzing vine condition and adjusting tool pressure accordingly. The Agbot 2.055W4 in the fields of Kima alfalfa is like a spaceship among agricultural machines. With its precision and power, this robotic farmer handles alfalfa with ease and efficiency. It's equipped with a 55 horsepower engine and has a 6-foot working width, allowing it to work quickly and accurately. Just think about it. Every acre of your field will be treated with jewel-like precision as if under a scope. Ready to see how technology is changing the way you farm? Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.
Good day, viewers. Get ready to explore the intersection of technology and agriculture as we uncover the exciting agri-tech solutions for growing diverse food crops on Smart Tech.
Need a reliable helper on the farm? The Einsterschaffel from Flegel